I think we're good now.
Okay, awesome.
So I guess we're just gonna start walking and talking.
Cool. Let's do it.
Yeah. So let's just kind of walk and talk and see, make sure we can kind of get the chat going.
Yeah.
And yeah. So we're just hanging out here in San Francisco.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful sunny day.
It's
and
gorgeous.
For those who are wondering, this is Maddie right here. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Maddie. I go by Maddie D Reese because that's my name. And I vibe code a lot. It's basically what I do.
That's so cool. Yeah, and we're basically here in the marina in San Francisco, and we're currently just kind of vibing right now. So if you see the vibe, it's so ridiculous. So this is us right here looking out, and look at this. This is amazing.
It's so gorgeous.
Yeah, let's just kind of get some zooms in here. So let me see if I can get this figured out here. Let's see. Oh, I need to actually fix my little setup here. And oh, I know why, because my hand wants to track with this little thing here. And so what we're doing here is we're gonna zoom in and zoom in one more time here. So, wow, you should be able to see now the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. And this is the area that we're basically walking in. So we're basically now walking in here. I see chemtrails. Yeah, that's pretty much kind of what we're doing right now. So yeah, so let's kind of keep walking. It's so cool that we're currently live. And I thought we would just kind of change it up a little bit because, you know, we're always doing vibe coding and stuff, and I'm always on live and everything. And so I think it'd be kind of cool to have like kind of like a special stream with us kind of walking and talking. And so we can kind of hang out here for a little bit, let some of the other folks talk. So yeah, this is kind of cool in the shade. So yeah, Maddie, what you have been doing a lot of like vibe coding and actually like going crazy with these hackathons and everything. So yeah, tell us more about what you're working on.
Yeah, so basically I love to do, my thing is I like to copy stuff. So I like to make recreations of a bunch of like your favorite SaaS products. And so I've done Google Drive.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and actually Google Sheets and Google Docs too in the same one. Which was, and it worked. Yeah. It actually worked. I was very proud of that. And then most recently I did MySpace. But yeah, but instead of like manually coding your profile, you could vibe code it. So that was my little twist I put on it.
That's genius.
So, and right now I'm working on Slack.
Slack? Like a Slack clone?
Yep, a Slack clone that'll look just like Slack, but it'll be for, you will log in with your X account.
Whoa.
Yeah, so that's sneak peek, but that's coming soon.
Amazing. Yeah. What are you using for auth? I'm curious.
Yeah, so that one, I haven't set up the auth yet, but it's going to be just like the X API and stuff.
Okay. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So.
Yeah, I tried one, like I called it X status, and I found it surprisingly easy when I used Clerk.
Okay.
Yeah, so Clerk was super fast.
Okay, nice.
You can do the like login with X.
Perfect.
You just point your model at it, and it kind of figures it out.
Okay.
And so it didn't take a lot of code to get it going and stuff. So yeah, that's what's up. I don't think my chat is completely working, but I'm trying to figure this out. Your current redesign stream, setting up your system with the new best practices. Just saying, good looking out, brother. I don't know what. Let's see. I guess. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah.
Nice.
I think people are just kind of getting stuff set up. I'm gonna see if I can get my chat kind of working again because my chat's a little bit off, and I'm trying to see if I can maybe clear it out and do it again. So yeah, I should have done that before the stream, but I didn't really get that going. So it's okay. At least I'll be able to kind of see some of the stuff going here. So yeah, let's continue walking. This is like super beautiful.
Oh, it's just such a gorgeous day.
Yeah.
I've been telling everyone that I brought the good weather with me.
I think you
I've been
did.
taking credit for it.
Yeah, because it's amazing. And like, have you done a Waymo yet?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So like, what was your first experience in a Waymo? Did you trust it at all?
Yeah. Well, okay, so I did a lot of research beforehand.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, well, now I'm at the point where like I trust this, and then I did it in Los Angeles actually first.
Oh,
yeah.
Interesting.
So convenient because I'm in San Diego.
Yeah.
So I just take the train up there.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to drive in LA traffic. Who does?
Yeah, who does?
Who
yeah.
does? So that's why we take the Waymos, because then no one has to drive in LA traffic.
They don't get on the freeway yet, right, over there?
Not around there,
Okay.
no.
You don't get on the freeway here yet, but I hear there's a pilot.
Yeah, I'm in part of the pilot.
Seriously?
Yes. So I took my first freeway ride a couple days ago.
Wait, is it in the same vehicle, the Jaguar, or is it like a van, a minivan?
No, it's in the Jaguar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So how was it getting on the freeway? Was it just like normal?
It was just like normal. Yeah. I honestly didn't even notice that we were getting on the freeway until we were on it and almost getting off.
No
And I was like,
way.
oh, okay. So it was so easy.
That's wild.
Yeah.
So how far did you go in it?
Oh, it was like a 15-minute drive
15
total.
minutes?
And most of it was off the freeway.
No way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's cool.
it was cool. So I'm Really excited. I'm in San Diego. Waymo's coming to San Diego at some point. Like it'll be operational.
Yeah.
And I've been seeing a lot of people saying like, oh, here's a picture. I've seen it testing, and I'm like, oh my God, please soon.
That's so wild.
Yeah.
Can you believe the weather right now? Oh
it's
my
incredible.
gosh. Yeah,
Seriously
this is
perfect.
welcome to California, y'all. It's actually not even cold right now.
No.
I had a jacket on, I had to take it off. It's probably like 67. And in San Francisco, that's super rare.
Yeah, right? Especially in January.
Yeah, especially, actually it is January, January 15th. So what are some of your goals this year? Because like, when did you start vibe coding and when did you start kind of getting into this stuff?
So I started vibe coding June 12th.
June 12th?
June 12th. Yeah.
Like not even a year yet?
Not even a year.
Wow.
But as soon as I started, I like fell in love with it, and I was just, that was it. I was gone.
Wow.
So it's been my life since then.
Yeah, it's been, I can see that.
Yeah, right.
Whoa. So like, what was the first app that you started to make, or what got you into it? Did you watch a YouTube video, or kind of how did that break down?
My dad got me into it.
Seriously?
Yes. He's super into AI.
Okay.
He doesn't work in AI and anything, but he is super into it.
Okay.
And he found Lovable through something.
Okay.
And he was like, Maddie, you would love this. And I was like, oh my God, I love this. Like, it's incredible. So, and then the rest is history, because that was it. But the first app I started on was, so I like to do the fun ones. So it was a pet comic book cover generator. So you'd put in a picture of your pet.
Yeah.
Then it would create a comic book cover.
Whoa.
And then you could buy like a poster of it.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Do you still have the app up?
Technically, but I think I need to switch out some API keys.
Okay, yeah.
Because I think there are some old ones in there, but technically
funny.
it's up.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's amazing. And then when you made it, how long did it take you to make, or like what was it like here?
Yeah, so it took around 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah. 3
and
days.
That was in Lovable?
That was in Lovable,
okay.
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, a lot of my early builds were in Lovable, and still a lot of my like simpler like web app builds are in Lovable. But honestly, I use everything.
Whoa.
Like, I have too many subscriptions.
Too many. Story of my life.
Right?
Whoa. So then when you first got into it and you started prompting, how long did it take you to realize, you're like, okay, I got to keep going with this? Like,
it was pretty much instant, honestly. Like, I just was like, oh my God, this is, like, everything clicked, because I had always been interested in coding and stuff like that, but it never clicked.
Interesting.
And then this finally clicked, and I was like, oh my God, I can build out all the ideas I've ever had.
Whoa.
So.
I see.
Yeah.
So before, did you try coding at all, or did they talk about it in school, or how was that? Like,
yeah, no, definitely tried, like signed up for a couple of like the free code camp and stuff like that. Made like my Hello World.
Yeah. You're like, okay, where's this going?
Exactly. And I think it wasn't instant enough gratification for me.
Agreed.
I think that's what it was.
Yeah.
But like with vibe coding, you don't get perfect. Like you can't one-shot something yet, but you get something
that you can play with. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Wow.
So it's just really cool.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And so you kept going, and was there a point where you're like, okay, now that's too far advanced for me, I can't really do that?
No.
Or was it,
I mean, I definitely ran into things where I was like, I can't do this yet.
Yeah.
But instead of it feeling like a blocker, it made me feel like, oh my God, this is so cool. I get to figure this out now.
I see. That's pretty cool. Yeah. For those who are wondering, what we're basically got going on here is that we're here in San Francisco, and we're actually live. And what we're doing is actually broadcasting out of here pretty much from the marina. And what's amazing is that we're literally having like the best weather ever here in San Francisco, and we're on this little trail, and it's against the ocean. So you're literally looking at the Pacific Ocean right now. And like we're trying not to fall in, but like you can kind of see how funny the trail is, and like you can just keep walking.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for one of us falling in.
Yeah. So there she is, like Maddie. We're kind of walking around and just enjoying this amazing day on the bay. Because look at this. Yeah, it's so beautiful here.
It's gorgeous.
And you get to see like there's Alcatraz, and like back there's like Berkeley and the marina and stuff. And there's a lot of people out. It's currently Martin Luther King Day, so we're taking this time because it's typically kind of slower than normal in terms of like traffic and people out and at work. So it was just really easy to get here. Didn't take me long, and you can kind of hear the ocean in the background. It's just so amazing. So if you have any questions, we're hanging out right now. Basically, I bumped into Maddie, and so she's from San Diego. And you're out here in San Francisco meeting up all these different like AI companies.
Exactly.
And, turning into a pro vibe coder, right?
Yep, that's the goal. That's the goal.
Yeah. So I mean, right now, I mean, let's just kind of sit down at this bench. It's so beautiful here.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, or maybe further down. I think we're gonna have some bench. Yeah, because this is basically the situation. You can kind of see us like walking right now, and like the bridge is behind us. So we're enjoying this view of the bridge as we're walking, and you will too soon, because like there's like a beach over here that we can kind of hang out at.
Nice.
Kind of take some time to. Yeah. So yeah, this is really cool. I mean, and so this is something that I'm trying to do now, is like do some more IRL streaming, and meet some other folks who are currently doing some building and doing some stuff live. And so, yeah, Maddie, what's your current stack now? What are you building with?
Yeah. Okay. So the Slack one I'm building is with Lovable.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, but I'm using a lot of Cursor. I'm using a lot of Claude Code. I'm using pretty much everything that you could think of. I am using for some purpose.
Yeah. Okay.
They all have their pros and cons. So you just kind of have to. From what I found is like play around and be like, okay, well, this works for this works for this. I'm building a mobile app on Vibe Code app.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Yeah, so we'll see, a whole lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, famous. She's famous, and she will be very famous soon. Just be on the lookout, because Maddie is destroying all these different hackathons and stuff like that. So tell us about some of the hackathons you've been kind of crushing.
Yes, so I've won 4. Third place at one.
Yeah, let's kind of hang out here.
Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah, this is a cool spot.
And then second place at another.
Yeah.
Won my first one in August.
Wow.
And that was for that Google Drive one I did.
Whoa.
And then I won. Oh no, that was the second one. Whoops. First one I won was for the app called Anything, or the website.
Wow.
And they and that was for, I made a digital corkboard.
Whoa.
Yes, and then the Google Drive.
Dang.
And then I did one. It was kind of cool. It was a live stream competition for just an hour.
Seriously.
And you just had to build out whatever you could in that hour.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Yeah, and then the most recent one was the MySpace one, which was a couple weeks ago.
That's wild.
Yeah.
That's absolutely wild.
It's been so fun.
And so I said, like, let's just you're in San Francisco for a month because you're based out of San Diego.
Yep.
I was like, let's do a walk and vibe thing. So I'm gonna switch it over to the other side of the camera.
Yes.
And I'll show you what this looks like. So when we switch it over to the other side, we can kind of see what this is like looking like. So this is the view that people are getting if they're in the marina right now. And so what's amazing is that basically you have all these people kind of hanging out and like walking around right now in the city, and it's just stunning. And so this is the current view we have right here on the ocean. Hopefully, James says, hopefully they give you a bag for each of those hackathons.
Right?
What did you think?
I'm doing well.
I'm doing well. Yeah, I'm good, bro. Yeah, we're totally good. Actually, yeah, I mean, and so, yeah, this is us kind of hanging out. We're just really have like no real agenda in some ways. I'm just trying to get this little gimbal thing to kind of stop acting really silly. So we need more AI events in smaller cities, areas. I'm 30 miles north of Boston. Nobody really talks about AI.
Man.
So what do you say? Because you actually started something in San Diego and started hosting events. Let's get some folks kind of educated a little bit about how they can start doing some of that stuff like this.
Oh my God. Honestly, you just need to, if you are interested in having these events and you are interested in putting them on yourself, reach out to your favorite companies, because they want people to put on these events. They want like in-person community. So many of them are open to being just like, yeah, we'll help you put on this event. We'll help you with venue support, everything. And yeah, you just have to really show up, make a plan, and be like, hey, I'm gonna do this. And it's honestly, it's really simple to get started, but it's really needed.
That's cool. Yeah. So yeah, I started a meetup this Thursday, and it's gonna be called like a AI vibe check. So it's happening in San Francisco. So if you go ahead and check out rfer.me/AI vibe check, you can go ahead and sign up. I'm gonna live stream it because I just love to live stream, as you know. But there's gonna be a small number of people of us in the same room together, kind of hanging out. And I'm actually bringing Riley on. So Riley, who makes the Vibe Code app, is going to talk about some of his latest practices, because he's been going crazy with this stuff, and it's going to be amazing. But yeah, start your own type of thing in your own town.
Yes,
you know, nobody talks about AI here. You'll be actually very surprised as soon as you start putting events and stuff out, even if it's a couple people at a cafe or some type of meetup.
Exactly.
It'll start to grow, and people will tell other people.
Yeah.
Because I feel like once you start using the technology and you start getting those results,
you want to talk about it with people, and you want to show it off, and you want to be like, hey, look at what I'm doing. Tell me what you're doing.
Yeah.
So it's just really cool, because It's funny because it is such an online
Right.
thing,
Yeah.
but people really are craving that in-person connection.
Exactly. Yeah. It may feel like it's always online, especially here, like in San Francisco. Can AI make my plan?
It can definitely help a large amount.
I just go to YouTube and hang out. Ray and Alex spin mostly, but yeah, I think you'll feel other people. There's going to be more people popping up, and I feel like definitely start your movement. You know, this is your time to do it now.
Exactly. Well, I feel like if you are in this area and you're craving these types of events, you're not the only one.
Right. That's right.
So,
that's right.
like, it'd be statistically impossible for you to be the only one. So you're going to find a community.
Yeah.
But you might have to start like the buds of it yourself.
Yeah. Did you see that wave that just kind of hit us a little bit? They're coming in. Yeah, we're literally like right by the ocean. So.
Yeah, I keep looking for like any creatures out here. I'm trying to see. We'll see. Haven't seen any yet.
There's like a little beach right here, and then like the bridge is a stunning area.
It's so gorgeous.
This is just amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Let's keep walking. This is so cool. I love everyone's questions who are coming in right now. This is actually a really good vibe.
I think so.
Yeah. Let me just kind of pan around and show you how special this place is. Like, in terms of like that's Berkeley over there. That's Alcatraz. We can kind of zoom in. You know, that's actually Alcatraz, and that's where if you go to jail, you'll be bad. You kind of end up over there. So that's what's up. And if you kind of zoom out a little bit, now we go over here, we can kind of see the famous Golden Gate Bridge. Stunning. Yeah, there's a little beach here that's in front, and you can kind of see, I think it's a Fort Mason or something over here. And then you see the little marina. And then when you go down this way, you'll actually start to head into the Marin headlands. What kind of sea life pops out there? As of right now, I don't hear or see them or smell them, because you would definitely smell them. I don't see them right now, but you can kind of see like the little birds. This is like the day to be out here right now. Cool jail view, yeah. Seriously, insane jail view right now. So yeah, we're so lucky to just kind of be able to hang out here live, and like the cities behind us, stunning, like so ridiculous. Yeah, we're actually in the middle of it. How's the Spark? Have you played with it? I'm actually gonna unbox it soon. I was supposed to unbox it yesterday or today. I just got really busy with stuff.
Yeah.
I was actually shipping I have an app called Ray Transcribes.
Oh, awesome.
So that's the thing I vibe coded about a year ago on the stream. And so I've learned a couple of things that, like, one is if you have an app that you use personally, you can put up with a lot more because you know how to get around things. But then when you actually want to ship something to production that other people use, that's where you have to really work on all those little details.
Yeah, well, that's when you realize, like, when you have other people trying it, it's like, oh, okay, this doesn't actually make sense. It makes sense to me, but to anyone else coming in, they have no clue because they weren't building it. So
yeah, that feedback. And also understanding like what product I should kind of focus it into.
Exactly.
Because at the very beginning, I was like, okay, this is just for me as a content creator. And then what happened, like, I think when Claude Code started getting really famous, my videos after my live stream would pretty much show up instantly. Or a little bit of a low bit rate. Let's go ahead and see if I can kind of keep walking here. Okay, okay, cool. Let's get back up in the higher bit rate. I think there's like a lot of cell signal going on. Facts, I just pulled a journaling app. I use all the time with extra encryption for privacy. Okay, cool. And guidance too, yeah. Exactly, yeah. When you have like other factors like privacy and stuff involved, then I think I have to do this little hand gesture so that the thing stops following. Otherwise, I kind of end up in this weird gimbal state. Okay, so I think we're trying to get a better bit rate right now. It's a little bit low, but we're trying to see how we can improve that. So yeah, this is a little bit better. Okay, cool, 2 megabits per second.
Nice.
Yeah, I just want to get good audio and good things. So yeah, this is amazing. I love this whole walk and talk thing. It's so cool.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, I think this is cool. We could just pull up here. This is cool. It's a good spot to chill out.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. Low bit rate.
Oh no.
We're trying to find the spot where we can get the best signal. I think we were over there, but then there was a lot of people that kind of showed up. They're taking our bandwidth. Okay.
Exactly.
Or maybe Pokemon Go or something, right?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, so we're talking a little bit about apps, and then how do you get it from like straight vibe code to then other people start using it and giving you feedback. So yeah, I use it personally, soon through a SaaS. Yeah, so when you start to turn your idea from vibe code to like actual realistic type of thing, do you guys feel these small apps though can generate MRR realistically? YouTube has a lot of clickbait. I think most people want ways to connect small apps to realistic MRR. What have you thought about that in terms of like,
I haven't monetized any of them just because, like, honestly, my goal right now is to build as much as I can.
Yes.
It's just fun.
Yeah.
But I think there are a lot of apps out there that are generating a lot of revenue that people just aren't saying they're vibe coded.
Yes.
Because I think your users, unless you're building for devs, your users probably won't know what vibe coding is and won't care.
Yeah, exactly.
So why introduce some layer that'll complicate it and confuse them?
That's right.
It's kind of what I think.
Yeah, that's kind of actually the best way to go about it, because I'm trying a lot of different ideas. One is to understand kind of what I'm building, but two, it's like kind of get solidified with my stack. You know, like right now, I mean, I've been using Convex for a little while, and I've really liked it the more I kept using it. You know, Clerk is my stack, Next.js, like I just kind of keep going back. Now I can build stuff pretty easily. And so as far as like the monetization level, you get like 1 to 5 to 10 paying customers. But those customers you want to keep closing the loop on. So that's what I'm starting to do now. So faster than ever, I'm actually able to generate like a feedback form. I never was able to do that before. So check this out. What I ended up doing is I made a Slack webhook in Convex. It's so easy to do webhooks. So the feedback form that gets filled out on Ray Transcribes literally sends a Slack message to me immediately. As soon as it's sent, I don't have to go log into a dashboard. I immediately get almost like a text message, you know? And like, that becomes a support request for me.
Like removing just that extra little bit of friction that would have, it just makes it so much easier.
And then really what's amazing is like, because I have Cursor hooked up, I can tag Cursor in the bug and have Cursor go do an iteration.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
Yeah, so it's cool. Kind of wild because I'll know what the problem is or have it go investigate. So that's super handy. So like you can do stuff like that now way faster than I could have maybe a year ago. Because setting up that a year ago, I had to be extremely explicit on like, here's a webhook, here's some documentation, follow these protocols. And it was always a pain in the ass, but like now it's much easier. But to go from like 0 to 10 and 10 to 100, that's kind of my current goal right now.
Nice.
And what I'm finding is that while there are other transcription apps, I think I'm solving the pain point of like, as a content creator, being discovered by AI. So I have all this content that I create, but what happens is that the words that are transcribed by Google aren't that accurate. So when AI is searching for content, and when people type in Claude code, most people's transcriptions say Cloud code. Or they'll say like, you know, VO3 is misspelled, or Chat GPT with the B. And so your video will not get found or discovered. So I found that out, and also like including timestamps helps the language model figure out where in your big like several hour video certain content is. And so now I sort of optimize that way. And you know, the next step of my app is, besides generating these, is to hook up to the accounts and automatically generate that for people. So, but it started out with transcriptions, right? So I'm discovering along the way, and I'm getting feedback from people as far as like what they want to do. But I've also found that like content people who do education want to have these transcripts and want to have speaker diarization so that they can put them into their like actual like educational programs too. So I've only been able to discover this by putting it out there. And especially if you have a local community that you already have access to, or a club, or I mean, there's a lot of different things that people have access to. Just make the software. You just make the MVP and give it to people. Just get that first feedback. And build from there. So everything is much more viable now to do. But it's going to be about like the person who can close the loop the fastest and have that point where people are going to start to want to share with other people. So there's this cool story from Matan. So he runs Droid, basically the AI coding agent. And one of the cool story is there, I'm going to try to get my little thing here. So the cool story with that was that basically Matan was saying that he had a difficult customer that wouldn't convert. And so what he did was he gave them a prototype, they used it, said, this product is, you know, shit basically, and said, you know, if you fix this, you know, maybe I'll consider it. So he fixed those things, went back, he's like, no, I still won't adopt it. He just kept bugging him. And then eventually, once he fixed all those bugs, the guy became his biggest promoter. He's like, oh my God, this is finally here. And it's like some people like that will tell you what the problems are. And like those people who are challenging, are actually probably pushing your product to where it should be so that he could then tell other people.
Exactly.
And that actually is so valuable. To even find someone like that is actually very lucky.
Oh, yeah.
That even cares that much to keep
seriously,
responding back to you.
Exactly.
Because if they think, they don't write you off, but they think you're like, okay, this guy's pretty persistent.
Yes.
There must be something going on here.
Exactly.
So.
They feel some sort of connection to what you're building, and they see the potential for what it could be.
Yeah.
And they're excited about it.
So DB Tech was talking about owning a restaurant to build a scheduling app. Yeah, so you built the inventory app instead of the old-fashioned clipboard paper. That's awesome, man. But I'm not sure who would really make the MRR, for example. I'm about to stream snipe you. Yo, what's going on, man? Yo, where are you at? Are you here right now? Like, pull up, bro. We're currently in the marina. Hopefully you're around the hood, because you're about to come, like it's 2:30, I think? Oh no, 1, 2? Yeah. Pull up, bro. Yeah, that'd be so cool. Awesome. Yeah, look at how beautiful it is out here.
It's gorgeous. I can't get over it.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Oh,
this is ridiculous. I'm going to show you. I just got off at a Safeway. Oh, cool. Yeah, you're super close. Let's go ahead and go back. He's basically back there.
Nice.
Walking down the path. Yeah, this is San Francisco right now. Oh my goodness, bro. This is the life.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So basically, TechFriend is basically behind us back there somewhere. Will I am here. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Like, we're not that famous yet. Cool. Like, I guess we could walk that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. That'd be kind of cool. So yeah, he's basically down that way. We're gonna go ahead and meet him.
Nice.
Because that'd be super cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just hanging out. San Francisco. If you're here, just pull up.
Seriously.
Yeah. San Francisco with friends. Yeah. I told him, like, let's go ahead. Oh, William's here. Oh, William from what do you call it? From Founders Inc. I think. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Awesome. Yeah. So, yeah, this is interesting because my little gimbal thing is kind of funny. It tries to follow us, but yeah. Hopefully everyone's kind of vibing right now. This is like the day to vibe right now. Vibe city. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if I can kind of get this thing to stop. Okay, here we go. Cool. Yeah. Low bit rate. Okay. We know that. Okay, cool. Sweet. Okay. So, what were like some of your biggest moments in terms of like trying to? Were you like intimidated at all with any of this stuff?
Yeah.
Because I feel like
Yeah.
people who try to come into vibe coding sometimes, or not even vibe coding, just wanting to make an app or bring their idea to life, right?
Yep.
Beyond the vibe coding, I think vibe coding just kind of got this bigger umbrella. But yes.
Yeah.
What were some of the biggest things that like you thought were true and then now aren't really true anymore because you've been doing it more often?
I was so intimidated going into this. I was like, well, I wasn't necessarily intimidated too much on building, but with vibe coding becoming a thing, like that kind of removed a lot of that intimidation. But I was definitely intimidated trying to get into kind of like this whole vibe coding scene.
Wow.
So I was like, okay, well, I'm not going to fit in. Like I'm not technical, basically, and so I was definitely like, okay, well, this is maybe not like where I'm meant to be. Wow. But everyone has been so kind and supportive, and it's been fantastic.
Wow.
So it's just been the coolest thing because I feel like everyone's really embraced me, and I feel so grateful.
Yeah.
So I've just been really having a fun time.
Oh, that's cool.
It's kind of like what I tell everyone is like I'm having like the time of my life. So
right?
Yeah.
Getting into it.
So cool.
What do you think was like one of those points where maybe did you ever hit a wall at all and say, okay, I don't think this is for me right now, or let me just kind of pick this up tomorrow?
Yeah, I mean, definitely you run into things like you'll run into a bug or something and you're like, I can't figure this out right now. And normally what I do is if I reach the point where I'm like, I'm not feeling this right now. Yeah. I just put it down.
I see.
Like, it isn't that serious. It's kind of what I've been trying to tell myself. Like,
it isn't that serious.
Who cares?
That's really good.
Wow. So I just put it down and I do something else, and then I come back and I have like a fresh perspective, and I can figure it out, and it's much less stressful that way.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, I like that idea that like I think DB Tech was saying that the vibe coding community is much more laid back. Yeah. Because other communities are kind of like full of all the craziness, you know? So
exactly.
That's wild.
Yeah, but it's just like, it's been so much fun. And it's really fulfilling because I'm getting to actually build things.
That's right.
Yeah, yes. There's so much more validation like internally because you're like, I can physically, like, I've made this. Yeah. And it's so cool.
Yeah, that's right, because bringing an idea to life, start to kind of make more sense. But I encourage people who are making software that like don't get so discouraged too, because you're going to learn more about the software, like making software faster, because you're now doing it. And then you can ask the AI to help you, but also ask your community of people to help you as well. I want to get us on this shot right now, because this shot is insane. I mean, this is like Zen vibes right now. So look at how calm the water is.
Oh my God.
This is the vibes. Can someone just play some vibe music right now? This is a vibe right now.
Wow.
I'm just gonna leave this here because y'all need to see this.
Yeah.
Fort Mason Center.
Centered so perfectly too, that lettering. They did such a good job.
Yeah. Wow. Like, this is the vibe.
Yeah.
This is what we call vibe coding.
This is the reality of it.
This is the real vibes of coding, you know? Like, I'm gonna put this here.
Yeah.
Can we just kind of, okay, cool. Yeah. And then I'm gonna try to like, maybe kind of keep this here, so that way I don't like really mess up the thing. Oh, cool. This is awesome. Yeah, that way if like my phone falls, it doesn't fall in the ocean.
Yeah, right?
Is SF safe to live? Yeah, for sure, man. Used to go to startup events there. Yeah, actually, my bad. Sorry about that. Dang, this is awesome. So what actually happens is right close to here is the OpenAI's, they have the dev day. Actually, at that building I was pointed to right now, which I was just showing you, right over there. This is what we're looking at. That's Fort Mason Center. Yeah, they have a bunch of startup events. They also have, I think OpenAI chooses to do their little thing here, which is super amazing. If I leave my camera here and I walk away, hopefully somebody won't take it. Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and see if I can kind of walk backwards. I noticed with AI, when you get an idea and end up making it more website, internet is going to go explode. Yeah, I think there's going to be, this is part of the reason why we're even live streaming right now, is because there will be lots of clones of content.
Yep.
But there really won't be a live like this in person. Yeah. And also like you talking to us is also authentic too, right? So even if there is a fake thing, to be honest, I crave more of the current human experience because I want to like connect with folks. I want to exchange ideas because we have the resonance that as humans that an AI can mimic. Oh, where's TechFriend? I don't know. Yeah. I think he's down here. I see him down that way. I think that's him with the gray shirt. With the backpack? Yeah. He's about to pull up on the street right now. Yeah. Actually, this is gonna be fire right now. Yeah, so let's go ahead and set up, right? Yeah. Let's see if I can. Can we do?
Get back here.
Let's see. Can I do this right here? Yeah. TechFriend's about to pull up. Yo. Okay, we got this. Yeah. He's about to pull up right now. We're just kind of hanging out here in San Francisco.
Yeah.
I can't even see the chat right now. Let's see what's up. Hey, what's up, Ray? I was just waiting for Claude to finish my massive review task. And I saw randomly you're live. Yeah, we're live here in San Francisco at Fort Mason Center. And it's so fire right now. And guess who's pulling up right now? Oh, the gang. Yo, what's going on? We got TechFriend in the building, bro. You made it real life, bro. This is crazy.
Awesome. Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, I'm Maddie.
This is him. This is him. What's up, Chad? This is TechFriend. Yeah. Yo, what's going on, man? Let's put the microphone. What's happening?
What's happening? Yeah, I just pulled up, stream sniped you.
Yeah, so we're just hanging out as friends here in San Francisco in the beautiful Fort Mason Center, man. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day today.
Did you get a Waymo up in here?
No, I rode a Bay Wheels bike. Oh, I got the yearly plan.
Okay.
So,
Dude, this is amazing.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, so like this is us pulling up right now in San Francisco, kind of hanging out. I don't even know how many people are on stream. Like, like
20 something.
We got 20 people. Okay, I think one who come from apps. Yeah, so we were just talking about vibe coding and stuff. What have you been building lately?
Me, I got ClaudeBot running. Have you seen that?
No.
Yeah.
By Peter Steinberger.
Oh yeah.
It's so awesome. Took me like 20 minutes to set it up on a Hertzner VPS, and now it's in my Discord. And it's so much better than the other bots I've been running.
Wait, so can you now use your own Claude subscription again? What's the deal with that?
Yeah, you can. It's against their terms of service, so any minute I could get banned, but it works.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Wait, hold up. Like, so what type of things do you tell it to do? Like, literally just make apps for you or something?
That's not really the main case I have, but yeah, you can do anything. Like, it's running Pi as the harness under the hood. I don't know if you heard of that one by Bad Games Logic, but yeah, it can use any skill. So just like the skills MD repository, so it can do like literally anything running code.
What? That's crazy.
I really need to set one up. I've been
It's so easy. It's literally just like a one-line command to install on like Linux or Mac. I have it in the server because like anyone on my Discord can message it. So.
Whoa, I think I might set that up for my Discord server. Heck yeah, dude. Actually, let's go find a cafe or spot because I might be able to just do that live. Why not?
Yeah,
right?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Yeah.
It takes like 20 minutes.
Bro, this is crazy. Yo, we're in San Francisco right now. We're literally about to vibe code. Like, this whole thing is a vibe. Like, look at us. Fort Mason Center behind us. Like, we're vibe coding in like the AI hub. And like behind us is the Golden Gate Bridge. Right here, back. And we got AJ. Oh, we got Maddie.
There we go.
What's going on? Sorry, this gimbal thing is really funny because it actually likes to follow my whole thing here. So I guess, yeah, if you want to hold the mic.
Sure.
And then
but
we'll
you're
just
the
vibe
host.
on the host.
I'll be the mic guy.
I'll be the mic guy. No. This is cool. Yeah, no, I think this is really fun that we're able to kind of like literally vibe here in San Francisco with everyone.
Seriously.
The microphone's kind of funny. Let's see. Okay, cool. So I think what I'm trying to do is I literally have my phone in a gimbal, and then
So the gimbal has a camera that like tracks you.
Yeah, so the gimbal has a laser.
Oh, a laser.
Oh.
So this laser here is kind of what beams into our faces and understands what's a face.
Wow.
And so then it's hooked up via USB, but it's also a receiver. So it's the DJI mic minis. I can pair two of them to the little receiver thing. And so now, like, because it's connected down here, this actual Osmo 7P, I can double click and it'll charge my phone.
Oh, sick.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so it's so sleek. So I don't need like this crazy like $3,000 camera backpack with all this crazy stuff. And then all I do is literally just stream it to, I think IRL Toolkit. So IRL Toolkit is the one that's pretty expensive, but I'm going to replace that with my DGX Spark. Because I just need basically a server in the cloud that can run a GPU that can literally just take the stream and just send it out to, Restream or something like that. Yeah, man.
Sick.
Yeah, so tell me more about ClaudeBot.
Yeah, ClaudeBot, I think it's just like exploded in like utility. Peter, I don't know if you've seen Peter Steinberger, but I think he's like vibe code ultimate boss. Like he has like hundreds, maybe not hundreds, but like almost 100 like GitHub open source repositories. He's got really good philosophy as well. He thinks like everything should be a CLI, I think. So he made like a CLI to access Twitter and all these things. And the way the agent interacts with the real world is like through all these CLI interfaces, essentially. Yeah. So I think even the like Vercel now has like a browser agent, and that's a CLI as well. So it's like this is kind of like picking up as a trend I've seen.
That's amazing. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's real. Did you see that cool? Everyone's around us is kind of, I don't know if they realize that they're live.
Probably. Like those obnoxious tourists.
Yeah, those obnoxious tourists. Yeah. We're literally just kind of vibing right now. Totally live in San Francisco with our friends. And so if you're in San Francisco, just pull up. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Yeah, his GitHub is massive. Yeah, so he's basically just going insane with like, so ClaudeBot, then he flipped it and start to connect it with, can you connect codecs with it as well? Or is it do best with Claude?
Yeah, it's got a really nice onboarding, interactive onboarding CLI. You can connect like any provider, Codex, Anthropic, like GitHub Copilot, like literally anything. And then also you can like give it access to any channels really easily, like Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, phone number. It's just like so streamlined and like awesome, man. You should definitely try it.
So cool.
So have people made cool stuff, or like what do they usually ask for in your Discord when they start using it? I'm just really curious.
Well, my Discord's full of trolls, so they've like been trying to jailbreak it, but like so far no one's been able to, which is nice. One thing that like when I first started getting interested in it was when I got the Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses.
Oh yeah.
And you can talk to the bot through WhatsApp. And unfortunately, there's no like API for these sunglasses, but you can voice command messages to WhatsApp. So I've been like talking to bots via WhatsApp.
Oh my god, because I have a pair of those too with me. Yeah. Oh, I need to set that up.
That's crazy, man. And I think you were also working on an MCP yourself. Like, what did you learn about the MCP protocol that like maybe someone who's just getting into it kind of should be aware of? Or like, you know, like tell us more about MCP. Like, how does that really, you know, work? Because it's advertised as easy.
Oh man, MCP has been a long journey. So I made this project called Speak MCP, and I regret calling it that because everyone thinks it's an MCP server. Which is, it's not, it's now an agent harness, but it was an MCP client originally. And MCP deservingly has gotten a lot of hate over the year or so, mostly because of context bloat. Like, you include an MCP server, like I always pick Playwright as an example. It has like 22 tools and it fills up like 10,000 tokens in your context. Just like giving like tool descriptions, every single parameter schema to the agent. But luckily, like, you know, everyone's smart and adapts. Now that's like kind of tool search was a thing Anthropic made, or like other various ways to kind of not just bloat your context straight up, you know, and like discoverability of these tools. So that kind of solves that. But now we also have skills. You know, it's kind of a mess, but it's all, I think, working out in the end. What do you think?
Well, I think that makes sense as far as like how they have evolved. And I know the latest version of Claude just made an update to make that discovery process like not takes up so much tokens. So that's pretty cool. And I'm glad that people are kind of, I mean, I think this has sort of been known for a while, but it takes a little while for everything kind of come around as far as official tooling. Lazy loading now. Yeah. So basically, yeah, or progressive loading in some ways. Like you don't have to load everything in. It just knows enough about, hey, I should go look in this area because there's a tool here that I might need. So that way you can have more tools and availability. But at the same time, you also, you know, these MCP servers, you can say, okay, I only want 10,000 tokens to load for this type of research task. But that'll also kind of take up some context window. And these agents that do those commands will then progressively like discard that into the context window and load more information up. So different agent harnesses will behave differently. And I think everyone's kind of trying to fine tune their approaches for this, because there are, I would say, like different behaviors. So when people are in a plan mode, I'm probably like more in the research heavy side, which is like give it all the text, try to extract information for a given goal or task. But then when I'm in like a code execution mode, I don't need a lot of that. I just need maybe code examples that will like give the model some type of reference so it can implement it like procedurally, or know exactly the best way to kind of do that type of thing. So it says agents now dynamically fetch tool definitions only when necessary. Yeah. Yeah, it's still kind of like this really weird art.
Yeah.
That's kind of hard to describe, if you know what I mean. So like everyone's kind of doing their thing. Here, I want you to hold this. I want to show this shot.
Yeah.
This shot of like, I love photography and the video. Oh yeah, my bad. Yeah. So like this shot is ridiculous. Like right here, this is what we live for. This is what we pay high taxes for, is for these types of views. Look at this. Damn. The way the lighting is hitting everything.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Are you talking about the new Claude Code feature? Yeah, that's what we're talking about. MCP. This is what we're doing right now. Let's go. Wow. Yo, what y'all think?
So cool.
Yeah, right? Like we're literally
Whoa.
IRL right now in San Francisco. Yo, what's going on?
IRL.
Show us your meta glasses.
I think there's not too much to show. They have two cameras there. These are the blue light blocking ones, so I don't really need like prescription or anything, and I figured sunglasses would have less utility than just not sunglasses version. So yeah, it's just.
Oh, because you can't wear them indoors.
You can't. You can, but yeah, it'll be like darker.
You might look a little odd.
Yeah.
Straight up vibe coding, right?
Exactly.
Vibes.
But yeah, no. Some awesome things I've seen people do with ClaudeBot, and this is like they go to something like Trader Joe's. They'll like be like, hey Meta, take a picture and send this to ClaudeBot and tell me if it's cheaper on Amazon. And if it is, add it to my cart.
What?
Yeah, like shit like that. So you don't even have to pull out your phone. It's just like all streamlined.
No.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Wait, so that just talks to WhatsApp?
Talks to WhatsApp, which is connected to the ClaudeBot.
Oh my
on the
god.
back
Did you
end.
demo the display ones?
What's that?
Did
Oh no, I've never seen those.
No.
I have the X-Real glasses, but you know they don't have cameras.
Wow. This is cool. And we're literally in front of a Safeway. Yeah, there's a Safeway for those who are wondering here at the marina.
I feel like I don't know if they're picking up your voice.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, they said that's amazing. Yeah, yeah, it's all good. I think right now we're just vibing. I just love that we're just kind of hanging out right now, just enjoying the view. So yeah, we need to get to my laptop and get to a cafe. And Maddie, I think I'm not sure what your timing is, but we're just gonna vibe, and if you whatever you want to do, we're just kind of hanging out and also love everyone who's been kind of joining in chat and stuff like that. But I want to try to see if I can get this little setup that you're talking about with ClaudeBot, because it sounds like we could be able to just do it in a couple slices or something like that. So yeah, I think my laptop's over here by the car. I'm gonna grab that real quick. Let's see, every day closer to Tony Stark vibe all. Yes, I think so. It's a real thing, you know? Like, but also like, part of the reason why I'm outside is because my AI is doing work for me. Just kidding. No.
Really?
No. Well, BugBot is. Have you used BugBot?
No.
It's crazy. Like, I think.
Is it more than just like PR review?
It kind of, yeah. So like it reviews while even inside your code base, which I find like as you're vibing out, making changes. I'm gonna go to my car. It's finding bugs like in between commits.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, on the local code base. It doesn't have to be a PR. And so a lot of times, like
while cursor is open?
Yeah, while cursor is open.
Okay.
Yeah. So inside of cursor, there's like a local version. So like there's two, like I guess it's kind of confusing for the name, because the name BugBot will literally just do the stuff on the cloud, which you pay $40 a month. But there's a local version, which I don't know if you have to pay for it or not, but you pay per token. So however big the changes are, it does a review. So when I'm doing feature work, it just finds like, hey, did you know that there's going to be like some type of error in the future for like some edge case? I'm like, you know what? That's a good one. I'll have you go to, and then you just send it into fix in chat, and it just does its work. And I find GPT 5.2 codecs. Would love to talk more models about you.
Yeah.
Like what models are you using recently? Let me get my laptop.
Only Opus. But yeah, I've heard great things about 5.2.
Yeah.
I just can't afford $400 a month, so just got that one Claude Max plan at the moment.
Yeah.
You're maxing with Claude Max?
But yeah, I don't know, have you heard that OpenAI and Cerebras have partnered up, and we might see 5.3 on Cerebras at potentially hundreds of tokens per second, maybe thousands. Rumored.
That's going to be really good.
Yeah. What about you, Maddie? What do you use?
Yeah, I've been using Opus a lot lately.
Opus, yeah.
Yeah.
Opus is the GOAT, in my opinion.
I mean, it's just great.
Well, let's see. I'll put this back here.
Yeah, I mean, they're definitely the top two, Opus and 5.2. You'll have some people that say 5.2 is better. And I think the consensus is like 5.2 codecs only works best in codecs. Like if you try it in other harnesses, it's not that good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go back and forth between both. I like Opus for planning a lot. But then what I also find that, Opus is good. Extra high on 5.2 codecs is really nice. And then as far as like getting stuff done every day, like Opus 4.5 is so fast. I think that's the other part of it, is that like the speed. So if I use it in cursor, I can use the fast mode, which basically the output is still $20 an output, which is similar to Opus cost. But the input is, instead of $1.5, fast mode would be like $3 for the input. So it's, I mean, the input, you're really just feeding in code, different files and stuff like that. But I would love some code PR review with tiny local models. Oh, so the Cerebras thing. Okay, so the Cerebras thing, my thinking is there's this concept called speculative decoding. So what they'll do is they'll basically get a larger model. And so whenever you're feeding in a token, what ends up happening is that it's trying to predict mathematically, where in this whole realm of the model it's supposed to kind of go down, as far as like, the next path or whatever. So if you can train a smaller model that can start to do the speculation of like, hey, you can go down these 10 paths, you know, and let me just go ahead and get the results for those for you, right? Like if you're starting to type out, you know, I jumped over a lazy dog or something like that, you know, like you can probably start to predict you're gonna say next.
Yeah.
So in a similar fashion, you can train distill down a smaller model. And so for Cerebras, imagine if they did this for like a coding model. So they'll take a GPT 5.2 codex and start to like train a model that works for this specific inference. And so that way, like when you're giving it some information, then it'll be able to like output stuff really, really fast.
Yeah.
And then sort of self-correct. So in essence, I don't know how that's going to work at scale or what this whole thing is. This is me speculating about speculative decoding. Right? Yeah.
Meta.
Yeah. Meta. Yeah. So like that's kind of where I'm thinking that's going to go. Not that they're just going to serve directly because they already are limited in terms of context windows.
Yeah.
So with Cerebras and chips, yeah. So like a lot of these types of things that are on Cerebras, the context windows are really small because of their infrastructure and they can't hold it. But I think it's perfect for speculative decoding models. I mean, that's my theory. I have no clue. I've never touched their infra. I've never worked on their backbone, but if I had to like read the tea leaves, I think that's kind of where that's going, if you know what I mean. So let's see. Ray is on, I can't see it. The last week discovered the shortest path algorithm. So that's going to be huge in this case. Okay, cool. I can't see that. Oh, spot on. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, cool. Thank you so much. Let's see, James, brother. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're trying not to get hit. I was like in the middle of a parking lot. And our goal right now is to pull up into some bench somewhere and see if we can get this ClaudeBot installed. That sounds fire, bro.
Do it on one of these bikes.
Oh, check out this bike. Yeah, let's go check it out. Let's see. Let's go. Bro, you ready to hop in, bro?
I don't know, yeah.
Let's go, bro. Vibe and drive. Bro, don't vibe and drive. Like, what does it need to like rent one of these things? Bro, can we just vibe code it like this? You gotta rent one? Yeah, from the homie. Let's go. Bro, can you imagine just vibe coding like?
Oh my god. Yeah. Hire a driver.
Loki, I think hire a driver. I mean, we could vibe code in a Waymo, right? I think that'd be kind of fire.
That'd be fun.
Like literally just vibe code in a Waymo across the bridge.
I also have Zoox access.
Oh, Zoox.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's like the driverless car where all the seats are facing each other.
Wow.
But it's only in Soma and a bit of a mission.
Wow. Man.
That sounds cool.
Yeah. I tried it in Vegas.
Yeah.
But I don't have access here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's some cool spots. Should we just pull up right here at the bench? Okay, cool. Yeah, let's see. This is the vibe right now. Yeah, let's just pull up right here. I think this is a cool spot. Yeah. I think right here we kind of cool, right? Let's pull up. Let's see. Cool. That way we'll I'll just put this over here.
How's it gonna work now? Can you share screen?
Maybe. We'll see. Oh, snap. No, you're good. You're good. All right, let's see.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is cool. Seems like we do bike coding, not vibe coding from now on. Yeah, I mean, it'll be kind of like a vibe, you know?
Yeah.
Let's see. Should I put it like right here? This is kind of cool. Okay, cool. So, yeah, let me see if I can get this thing going on.
Yeah.
What time is it right now?
2:53.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll put this on like this maybe. Yeah. I have another mic, but that'd be so fire if we could set up like 3 mics.
Yeah.
That'd be crazy. So let's see. So what I'm trying to do is get ClaudeBot. So the goal of this thing today is AJ just told me about ClaudeBot, and I've seen it, but I want to configure it for my Discord because that'd be crazy.
Yeah.
Because literally, I think people can just start going spamming like crazy.
I mean, I'll see, like,
Okay.
I have it in mind.
Well, let me see this.
I want to see. Okay, that's max brightness.
Yeah.
No, it'd be like, see, people are trying to get it to do stuff. Like,
Oh,
sorry,
no.
I gotta send a random GIF. Sorry, I can't send GIFs.
And
vibes only. And then there was like some people that were doing like a role play. Let me see. Find that thread. So yeah, like getting it to role play. I don't know.
That's crazy. Hello from cold Minnesota. Oh my gosh.
But yeah, I mean, the only skill I have is Exa.
Okay.
Just for web search. But you could theoretically like use any skill, I guess.
Oh wow. And then that would just basically kind of get it working there?
Yeah.
Damn, that's awesome. Wow. Okay. SF is normally that quiet. Right now I think it's because of the
MLK Day.
MLK Day, yeah. Yeah. And so what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to see if we can configure and get this like set up on my Discord. Because that'd be fire. So, I mean, why not, right? I mean, if we're here in the middle of like San Francisco and if we're not like pulling out our laptop, then like kind of what are we doing with our life, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. So, yeah, no, actually what's really cool is like we're kind of, we're vibing right now. All right, so let's see. I need to connect to the Wi-Fi's. So I'm going to connect to my phone Wi-Fi, which is this guy, and we're going to eat up some bandwidth here. So that'd be what's up. I still got quite a good cell phone signal. God, the day is gorgeous.
I know.
Yeah, that's awesome. And so right now, in order to get to where we need to go, it's called ClaudeBot or something. Is that what it's? Hold on.
Claude.bot.
Oh, Claude.bot. Okay, cool.
That's the URL.
Claude.bot. So CLAWD.
Yeah.
.bot. Okay.
Correct.
ClaudeBot. So I'm gonna put this in the chat. I should be able to get to the chat here. So we're gonna. Hey Ray, how's it going? Hey, how's it going, man? I can see you guys. So I should be able to see the chat here. Okay, perfect. Oh, cool. We got like 26 people. Let's go. Nice. Let's see chat, and then if I go to YouTube, I think I could just paste this in here. All right. So you can see that link right here, right at the bottom. This is ClaudeBot. So this is where we're gonna go right now. We're gonna basically get. AJ is going to help, aka TechFriend, right here. It's going to help us get this thing set up so that we can basically get our Discord rolling with the ClaudeBot. So my Discord, if you want to join in, it's https /rfer.me/Discord. Cool. How and where did you host ClaudeBot? I have a Raspberry Pi lying around and it worked like a charm.
I used Hetzner, I think it's called, just because it's like the cheapest VPS, I think. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I think I might do that. That sounds pretty fire.
Yeah.
I wonder if I take it off the... Okay, so now we don't have any of the like noise filtering. Let us know how this sounds like. I'm really curious, y'all, like on the stream, if it's too loud, if you pick up too much stuff around the environment. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's pretty quiet right now. Because what I was going to do is just like literally put the magnet right there.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, so like literally we could just talk right into it.
Yeah.
And so this is like podcast style, right? Like literally, yeah. So hopefully the microphone stuff sounds pretty good. I don't know. How does it sound? Can you?
Oh, let's see. Let's see.
Or do you have AirPods?
I do have AirPods. Yes. Let me pull that up.
Let's see.
And then we can also use mine if needed.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
No, I think it's cool the way it's clipped onto you.
Okay,
Because we have like the microphone right here.
Yeah.
And we're just like literally vibing on the stream.
Awesome.
We're in San Francisco right now, for Reese Center. And yeah, you probably hear the trucks and stuff, but it's okay. We took off noise canceling because we wanted to see can you hear us and stuff like that. And we can always turn it back on, which is this. So this is now with noise canceling, and I think our audio levels are pretty fire right now. So like, yeah, like, oh yeah, I can see the audio levels there, and it's pretty good. Like you start speaking.
Nice. Yeah, yo, test 1, 2.
Okay, I think it sounds pretty good.
All right.
Yeah, the sound is okay. Sound is pretty good. Okay, cool. Yeah. Do you guys like it better right now with the noise canceling or without the noise canceling right now? So we're pretty much, let me know in the chat. So what we're trying to do is get that ClaudeBot set up, CLAWD.bot. And so right now, basically what we have set up is turn noise canceling back on is better. Okay, cool. I got you, fam. Okay, yeah, here we go. Noise canceling back on. Noise cancel, please. Okay, cool. That way it doesn't pick up everything. Nice. I love all the feedback. So yeah, noise canceling is back on. We are good. Too much background noise. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, cool. And so if I go to Claude.bot, and then now I have a
one-liner.
There's literally just one line. This is a curl command. You can see it right there.
Your brightness up?
Yeah, my brightness is up.
Oh, damn.
It's so bright, it's like kind of reflecting back. And so yeah, I think we're good now. So Ilya 2.0. Oh, I
Me?
think you. Yeah.
Oh shit, because I'm balding?
No, bro. Like that's why 2.0. You got the hair back.
Oh,
yeah.
true.
You got the $1 billion+ now.
Yeah, let's
So
go.
now you got hair.
SSI.
SSI, bro. So this is literally one liner that we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put this in the chat too. Why not? Like y'all gonna join me in the chat right now.
Just like
so all you have to do is run that command.
let them know this is dangerous if they're running it on their local file system.
Yeah, if you run this on your local file system, you're low key probably gonna get cooked. Low key, like low key. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So let's go ahead and run this command. Oh no, can't run the command here. I have to go to Hetzner, right? You said.
You can, but yeah, as I said, you open up the agent to your file system.
Oof. Yeah, I'm not trying to have that right now. So
Hetzner, or if you have another VPS, like
I don't have any.
You don't have any.
Yeah, HETZNER.
Yeah,
I don't think I've set one up. Okay.
The issue is it'll probably ask you to like verify your ID and stuff.
Okay. Yeah, let's see what this costs to get it going. Why not, right?
It costs like I got the cheapest one. It's like $4 to $5 a month.
Oh, $4 to $5 a month. That's amazing.
Yeah, I calculate because I was gonna run it on like I have a laptop at home.
Okay.
And then I don't know. Claude said the electricity would be like $10 to run it 24/7. So I'm like, oh, well, fuck that. I'll just run it in the cloud and not have to worry about that.
Wow. So there's a European VAT, EUR or something.
Yeah. So it's based in Europe.
Okay.
But you can get charged in USD.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, save settings. Cool. VAT 0%. Okay. So all I have to do is just hit login or something, or
yeah, hit login.
Okay.
So the biggest friction point is it will ask you to like verify your ID, so you'll have to like take a picture of your license or something.
okay. So console.
You don't have like an AWS account?
I have an AWS account. Is that even easier?
If you you won't have to set up your ID. Like you just create a EC2. You know how to do that?
No. Let's figure this out.
Okay.
Let's figure this out live.
Yeah.
Cisco, we can do everything, right? Yeah. If not, we can just ask the AI. I think. Right? I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, EC2 on AWS is pretty easy
So
too.
AWS.
It's like console.aws.com or something.
I gotta log into this one. Augment Code.
Yo,
Yeah.
represent.
Augment, let's go. Let's see. I think this is the one I have.
I get recognized from those ads.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's right.
I made like a video on my personal channel and someone was like, I almost like clicked close or clicked skip because I thought it was one of those ads again. I was like, bro, the brand damage.
You brand damage. Yeah. Yeah. So trying to. Can I? Let's see. Okay. I think we've officially made it with the this thing kind of following my face. Okay. Cool. All right. Bro, you're toasted, huh?
Do I look red?
No. I mean, like, is that cool? I mean, I know some people. I love sun, so.
Yeah, I love sun. I think the UV is also low. I don't know, it's an experiment.
Yeah, it's an experiment. Right? Yeah, let's see. Go back to AWS.
Let me see.
Okay. So, I'm trying to figure. Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm fine.
I'm trying to figure out what AWS, because I have multiple passwords to this one.
Yeah, same.
So
Gotta use up those free tiers.
Which one is it? I don't know. I thought you still work there. I think
I do.
Yeah, he does. Yeah.
Who's that? Oh yeah, Paul.
Yeah, Augment OS. Is he the guy does he actually work at Augment?
Me?
No, this guy.
No.
Okay.
Augment OS is like, he's been a fan for like a follower for a while.
Yeah.
He lives in LA.
Oh, okay,
Super cool guy. Yeah, I've chatted to him a bunch.
Nice.
It's good. I always see him on like every other creator's like comment.
Exactly. Yeah. What's ClaudeBot for? I thought you. Oh yeah. So somebody's asking about what ClaudeBot's for.
It's like a personal assistant, I think they label it, like just like an agent that, it's not really opinionated on any particular vertical. Just like, it's like pretty much opening up Claude Code to be able to interface with it through any like medium, like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord. And it's like streamlined the whole ecosystem really easily. Like you run like one onboarding CLI command and you give it its personality and like what it's like soul. I think there's like a soul.md.
Really?
If you go to soul.md, it's like a website that Peter made that describes like how like all these agents should have a soul, and it's like documented in this soul.md markdown file. It's kind of like agents MD.
Whoever this guy is, I think St. Pete, right, or something?
Peter Steinberger.
Yeah.
Peter Steinberger is a freaking boss. This is he literally made that. Yeah, I'm looking at the soul MD file right now. Bro, this is crazy, man. This is I'm amused. That's a Augment. This is Augment Code or Augment OS. I thought, okay, wow, I'll try it. Yeah. We actually we're checking it out right now in the chat. I put the little like slash command, and I currently have. Okay, so I've logged into the console for AWS. I've never done this before. Peter Steinberger. So in order for me to go there, I go to S3. No. How do I break this? How do I run up my Anthropic bill even higher?
You need help?
Yeah.
All right, go to EC2.
EC2. Okay.
So EC2 is like AWS's kind of like VM or virtual server.
Virtual servers in the cloud.
Yeah, virtual servers in the cloud.
Ooh, okay.
So you go there and then you create an instance.
Launch instance. Okay, launch. Wow, so there's literally just one button here. That's amazing. Okay, so once I typed in EC2, like, this is literally like flying a B-52 bomber. But it looks that intimidating, but it's actually simpler than it is because I have, instead of AI, I have AJ. Right? Yeah. So he's literally walking me through it right now live, and you can kind of do that too. So we're just going to go, it says launch instance. It's like a big orange button. Out of all the colors, there's only one button in there, and it's orange. And so do I hit the drop down? No, just launch instance.
Yeah, okay, and then I think the easiest is Ubuntu.
Okay, Ubuntu, I got
Ubuntu.
Yes.
And
do I have to give it a name?
Yeah, give it a name.
Should I just call it ClaudeBot YOLO?
Sure. Yeah, you're gonna soon have to decide what to actually call it. I mean, you could call it ClaudeBot, but like, you know, most people give it like a name. Like, I don't know.
Okay, I'll call it YoloBot. Okay, so Ubuntu, free tier, right? Eligible, whatever that means.
Yeah, so free tier is like the minimum amount of like CPU, RAM, etc., like SSD.
Yeah.
It should be okay unless you're doing like, you know, high intensity stuff. So yeah, I mean,
just for the Discord, right?
Yeah, just try it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just try free tier for now.
Okay. What do you have set up on yours?
I have the minimum for head snare.
Okay. Oh, got it.
Yeah,
So here, it just shows us a 64-bit ARM device with like 8 gigabytes of something. Yeah, x86. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah. Oh, architecture. Do you have an x86 ARM? Do you care?
No, I mean, just leave it on. It shouldn't make a difference.
Okay, cool. Instance type T3 micro. Okay, here's what we're talking about. Yo, what's going on, man?
Good. Let's go.
What's up, dude? We're on a live stream right now.
Oh, no way.
Bro,
what's
going on? Do you know?
What are you guys doing?
Bro, he's helping me get set up with EC2 instance. If you guys don't know, guess who's here? Introduce yourself.
Hey, what's up? I'm Matan Grinberg, co-founder of Factory. How's it going, man?
Yeah,
Good.
the Factory AI. Yeah, like literally right now.
This is crazy.
Awesome.
Yeah,
How long have you guys been live streaming?
We've been live streaming for like an hour and a half or so.
Damn, what are you guys doing?
Right now, he just told me about ClaudeBot. So we're gonna provision Claude. Yeah.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. So we're gonna like provision it on EC2 instance.
Sick, and you should use Droid while you're building it.
Right.
Let's go.
Wait, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, so he has like set up in a Discord server, and all of his Discord members are going crazy with it. So it's like, if we can launch headless versions of, because I think as I understand it on AWS, I could just launch anything, right? It's like just the OS and it just, I could just install it, like just have it go crazy, right?
That's sick. That's unreal.
Yeah.
What's your name, AJ. Hey, Matan. Nice to meet you.
Hey, Maddie, nice to meet you.
Matan, nice to meet you.
Awesome.
This is cool. So
Yeah.
if you haven't seen Factory AI, you should definitely check their stuff out.
Check out the droids.
So what do you think about the latest GLM stuff? Because I know a lot of people are talking about that.
GLM's incredible. GLM 4.7 is actually unreal. It's gotten to a point where I feel like over the last 2 to 3 years, everyone's like talking about open source, but like really, if you're doing like hardcore stuff, you're not going to use it. Genuinely, day to day, people use GLM 4.7 at Factory all the time, just because it's like faster, more cost efficient, and it gets the job done for a lot of tasks. It's actually insane. And I think there's a lot of like I think the delta between the frontier and the open source is narrowing, which I think is really important. A lot of people were wondering, was it going to like stay constant? Was it going to grow? Was it going to shrink? It's pretty cool that it's shrinking.
Whoa, this is crazy. Any questions y'all want to ask? Because literally, this is what we're doing right now. We're in SF vibing live. SF is so random. Yes.
That sounds crazy.
Yeah.
I was just going to get a coffee. That's insane.
Do you work out of here or?
No, I just live like two blocks away.
Let's
I guess I
go.
probably shouldn't say that on live stream.
Let's go. People, just birdie tokens. Let's go. I smell credits promo. Hey, do we got some credits for folks?
Yeah. Just DM me, Matan SF. I'll Anyone who found out about droids from this live stream, I'll DM you guys.
Let's go. You guys already know. You guys are going to blow up his DMs. You guys already know what to do. Somebody's got to, okay, drop the link for his X account on here so people can send it to DM. Yes, I need to go SF like immediately, bro.
Yeah, for real. Do you live here?
No.
Dude, you got to move out here. Come on, this is like...
Right?
There's a sign. Yeah.
I live in the South Bay, like right by Stanford.
Oh, cool. That's where I grew up.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Perfect.
Amazing.
Yeah. And then so Maddie is from San Diego.
San Diego.
And
So I'm up here until the 13th.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then AJ, I think you live...
Trail Hill. Trail Hill.
Yeah. So he just came up here. I was like, yo, we're doing a live stream. We're just going to walk around. It's such a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
You can't miss out. And then all of a sudden, AJ started telling us on the walk about like getting this provision. And I was like, he's like, it's just one line. I was like, yeah, okay. You know, like that's how they get you, right? Just one line setup.
Just one line. I swear.
It's just one line. Yeah, Matan SF. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Matan. But yes,
yeah.
ANSF.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, all right. I'll leave
All right,
you
cool.
guys to it.
Yeah, awesome, man.
Yeah, good to
Sick.
see you.
Yeah, yeah.
Take care. Yeah.
So
Good to
wild.
meet you.
Yeah.
Great to meet you.
Bye.
Let's go. Yeah, cool. This is very SF. All right, so whoever's gonna pull up next, let's see
Right?
if we see Sam Altman pull up in here, then we try to see if we get some tokens. Oh my God, this is too much. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see. Okay, I think this is cool. Yeah, we got this here. All right. Yeah, everyone's like blowing up his X account. So he said, you heard him here. He says if you send him a DM and you found out about it through the live stream, he's basically gonna hook everyone up with some tokens on Droid. So, yo, that's crazy, man.
Yeah, crazy.
Like, it's very SF though.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you could just hang out and people just pull up.
I was just reading his tweet this morning. It was like the harnesses make like so much difference. People were like, harnesses don't matter. It's all about the model. But he's like, people are realizing that the harness actually changes a lot of things.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So you've been working a lot with also Augment Code.
Mm-hmm.
So tell us more about like kind of what's happening there.
Yeah, so the main thing of Augment is like they spent the first 2 years building their like embedding and retrieval models specifically for code. So it made a huge gap in large code bases specifically, like with Claude Code and these other agents, they do grep-like pattern match searches. So they're kind of like, brute forcing to try find the right word to match your intent. Whereas with retrieval, like semantic search, you can do like actual like natural language queries. Well, the agent can do natural language queries to return the most relevant code snippet. So usually it's a lot faster, a lot more token efficient, and can be more accurate as well. And previously, the only way you could access that was within the Augment Code agent, but now we have like an MCP and like an API now, so you can bring that context engine into any agent. And we're going live with that like next week. I mean, it's already available, but we're like announcing it next week, and it'll be free to use, so you don't even need to pay. I mean, you still need to sign up to Augment account, but you don't need a paid plan. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna release some benchmarks soon to show that like it improves pretty much every agent across the board.
Awesome. Whoa.
So like that's kind of what Matan was talking about too when you were reading that tweet about the harness, which is the things that kind of pop up around it. I also interviewed Luke, who works with Matan, because he used to work at Goose, the open source coding agent, and went to go work for a factory. And so he talked about like the scaffolding, which is kind of the similar concept of like, okay, like, at first I was calling it harness, and then Luke's like, it's kind of like scaffolding really, because you have to do a lot of steps to feed things in. And but there's like, I guess I would describe scaffolding almost like skills files, rules files, things that can kind of guide the agents. So you need those things in place to make the agent perform in a certain way. And then maybe the harness is more of like the internal decision making that the actual agent is doing to know that those tools are it's capable of doing those types of tooling and other things. That's kind of like the way I separate the harness versus like scaffolding. So scaffolding is like, if every other agent starts to adopt skills files, that's part of the scaffolding to make the agents work better. And the agent harness is more of like that decision-making tool to say, okay, I have access to these tools, or I specifically don't do skills, I do these things, it's going to keep evolving.
Yeah.
And everything we say here is probably going to be out of date. The UV index is what? I couldn't even find it. Let's see. I think we're safe though. They're different. Yeah, I missed that tech. That I'll probably catch up in the chat, like, cause I'm a little bit behind on the chat. So let's see. Oh, UV index right now is 0.9, so you're safe. Okay, LDJ, what's going on, man? LDJ, thank you so much for showing up. I just realized I was behind 20 minutes in the live stream.
Oh no.
Oh, on X, right? Yeah.
Dude, I learned a bunch of stuff from the UV index. So I was like baking in the sun trying to get vitamin D, but supposedly you can't synthesize vitamin D at less than like 3 UV.
Really?
So it's just pointless. But you still can get sunburn if you're out long enough in less than 3 UV.
Okay.
So I'm just like, I don't know.
So you need at least 3. What's the science here? Like,
I don't know the exact science, but yeah, at least 3 UV, like I think like UVA rays or something, UVB rays, for your body to be able to synthesize that into vitamin D.
Oh.
Yeah.
So go out. Is it like, so is that why they say like generally go out for 20 minutes to get some type of sunshine or something? Is that?
Yeah. Definitely like vitamin D is super helpful for like mood and stuff. And normally like when it's not like Northern Hemisphere winter, you can just go out in the middle of the day for like 20 minutes and get your adequate intake. But yeah, here in SF, it's quite north, and in winter, like the sun doesn't rise enough to get those rays.
That's crazy. So right now, what we're doing is like literally Matan from Factory AI pulled up. It's like, yo, what's going on, man? So in natural fashion, we have to shake him down for some tokens. So he said, if you watch this live stream and want some free Droid tokens, you got to hit him up. Somebody dropped his link. Hey, Maddie, I just followed you on X. It's nice to meet people in the community. Joe followed you. So that's so cool. That's awesome.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
and so one of the cool things we're doing is literally, we were talking about ClaudeBot earlier, and it's just this one line to install right now. So that's what we're doing right now. If we're really going to get this, like all you have to do is this. So because while I like to YOLO, it's sometimes easier to YOLO on someone else's infrastructure. So we're going to do that on AWS. I already have an AWS account. So I basically am going in to provision an EC2 instance. And that basically just gives me an access to a server that's online that I can totally mess up. And if the ClaudeBot wants to remove everything or somebody prompt ejects it, it's not really going to hurt me too much. Hopefully not. At all, yeah. So it's just going to take down that instance, and I could just redeploy another one. So as of right now, I just went to the AWS console. I just typed in EC2, go to instances, like a big orange button that basically allowed me to launch it there. And then from there, I just selected Ubuntu. And then from here, as far as like the instance type, there's like T3 micro or something like that. That's going to be 2 vCPU at 1 gigabyte memory. And what is yours? You think that's kind of about where you're at, like a gig memory?
No, I think Hertzner actually gives you more. I think it's like 4 gigs.
Okay, let's just do that.
RAM
or GB. Okay.
Yeah, 1 gig is kind of low, honestly.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I'll do the medium then, T2 medium.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like the cool thing about AWS is it's free tier, so you could probably run the minimum settings for free.
Got it.
But if you want to get Hertzner level, you probably it probably would cost you about the same, like $4 or $5.
Okay, so there's T3 micro. Got it. So instead of all generations, I'll do maybe the free tier eligible ones. Okay. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is just gonna go to free. Okay. So all I did was just type in free, and then here's what I got. I got T3 small. I got C7i flex large, which is 4 gigs, and then there's the M7i flex large, which is basically 2 vCPU and 8 gigs memory. So that's kind of probably what you're rolling with, Hetzner. And that looks it's just free tier eligible. So all I just typed in was free, and then that's it. Okay, so then there's like a login or something that's required.
So yeah, you should generate
a key pair.
SSH key.
So this is where I'm going to generate the SSH key.
Yeah.
And then I should probably turn it this way, right?
I mean, it'll be really hard to parse it.
Yeah. Okay.
It's like a hexadecimal.
Okay. Cool. Oh. Okay. So
you save the file, so it probably won't even show it. But just make sure
Key pair name, YoloBot. Yes. Okay. And for use with OpenSSH, RSA, perfect. Create key pair.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
And then it will save that file. You actually might not even need it because you can SSH through the web platform.
Oh, let's go. Okay, because we're just going to set it up. The goal is to try to get a Discord bot, and we just need the bot to connect to the web server, and that's it. Like, it's pretty much GG from there. Okay, so allow SSH traffic from anywhere. Sure. Do you lock it down or anything, or for SSH traffic?
Yeah, it's fine. They need your key anyways. So
Okay, cool. Oh, got it.
it's just like to IP lock it.
Yeah.
Which would make it extra secure, but
Okay.
like it's
So
probably
I
fine.
think we're good with the base volume of 8 gigs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So then there's no advanced details or nothing we need. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. We don't need extra provisioning things. I figure we can figure those later, right?
Yeah. I mean, this is just a test. I think we
Okay,
just
cool.
run it on like minimum.
So all I do is just launch instance and we're
Yep.
good, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Might take a few minutes.
Wow. So we're literally just
Um,
launching, successfully launched.
Ah.
Okay. Launch log. Bro, we're
Yeah, I
in.
think if you click on that,
Yeah,
it'll
okay.
bring up the instance. It'll probably still say like launching. Oh no, it says running. Wow, that's fast.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
you can click connect.
Okay. Connect using public IP, right? I guess.
Yes, try that.
Yeah. I don't think it matters. Ubuntu connect. Bro, I am in. We're so in right now.
Whoa.
This is so fire, bro. This is it.
All right, perfect. So now we've SSH'd into the machine, and you have the terminal interface. So you just run that one-line command, and it'll start onboarding. And then you can like,
This is insane.
it'll first get you to type its personality. But then for Discord, you have to go through the Discord developer platform to get like tokens and stuff, and to create the bot.
Okay. Got it. So as you can see, I literally have this thing pulled up here. Is that the building Founders Inc.'s in? Yes, right behind us.
Yeah.
Right back up there is where Founders Inc. is at. And so, whoa. Okay, so Maddie, it was
Yeah.
fairly straightforward.
Okay.
So all we had to do was when you go to like AWS and sign in,
Yeah.
you could just type in EC2, and then that's kind of what took us to this little interface here.
Perfect.
And then, oops, sorry, I said EC2. And then there's this orange button that says launch instance.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So that once you hit that, that's kind of what launches into that little setup here.
Perfect.
And so the launch instance is like where we can configure the name.
Yeah.
And then we can select Ubuntu. And then down below here, instance type. In that little section there, all I did was I select it, and then it brings this little search drop down. I just typed in free. And then it just shows you the filter of what free tier eligible is.
Oh, awesome.
So then at the very bottom it says m7i-flex.large.
Yeah.
That has 8 gigs memory. And then from there, everything else is pretty much legit. You say launch instant and boom.
Awesome.
It's super
So
fast.
easy.
Super fast. It's kind of crazy how fast that is.
Yeah, that's
you know?
awesome.
Yeah, if you want to come over here or whatever it
Yeah,
is
maybe I
easier for you to
will.
see. So that way we can kind of start cooking.
Kind of like this.
Whoops. Okay, cool. I think we're good.
Okay.
Yeah. We're good.
There we go.
You're good. Okay, cool. Awesome. So now we have the EC2 instance up, and then we have to go to the ClaudeBot. So CLAWD.bot. So I'm going to put this into the chat real quick. Put this back over here. What else? I messaged him, but I feel bad about the shakedown. No, man. If he
offers.
If he offered, we're good, bro. So so Claude.bot, and then we're going to type in this curl command. Okay, here. And I'm literally just in my instance, just going to put that in. That's it. Bro, we're installing right now. That fast? Damn, this thing's fast, bro.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So have you thought about what API you'll use, or like auth? Kind of like what plan, like Claude plan or Codex plan?
I have I already have a $200 a month max plan
For Claude?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. So you can like do the thing where you run a command in your like terminal where you're already authed, and it'll give you a token,
Okay.
and then you just paste the token into the server.
Wow.
Awesome.
So there's a command that in my personal terminal that I have already. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now it basically says installing ClaudeBot. So I just see like pretty much the matrix of everything kind of coming down. And then that's it. Like, so what's amazing is here from the AWS console on the website, it's basically launched the actual terminal. So I don't even have to like SSH in technically, right? I mean, I could.
it's wrapping it for you. This is
Yeah.
SSHing in through
Yeah.
a web interface.
That's crazy. Yeah, I named mine YoloBot. So we'll see. Yeah.
YoloBot. Is that what you're gonna call it?
I guess so. Why
Yeah.
not? So in my Discord, basically what I'm going to do, step one is get the instance up from AWS, check. We have ClaudeBot, so we just install that, check. The next thing is going to be, bro, look at this interface.
Yeah.
You can see it already, bro.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see this. It's fresh daily. It's kind of crazy how reflective this screen is, you know?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So we're like in. Okay. So now, I understand this is a powerful and risky. Do I want to continue? Yes.
YOLO.
Okay, so onboarding mode, quick start or advanced?
I went to advanced.
Okay, let's do
It
advanced.
asked a bunch of questions I didn't fully understand, but I can guide you through what I did.
Okay, cool. Advanced?
Local gateway, yeah.
Local gateway, okay.
Yeah, enter.
Okay,
Okay, here
auth
is
provider.
where
Anthropic?
Anthropic, yep. So we're doing auth provider, and now
Token.
the second one to paste token,
Okay.
and now it'll give you
Oh, Anthropic only supported, okay.
yeah, enter. Yeah,
And
so
then, run Claude
yeah,
space setup token.
yeah.
So
yeah. Just run that in your normal terminal.
So in my normal terminal, I have to launch here. So I launch Ghosty because it's like the best terminal right now.
Except it doesn't have find.
It does. Oh, that's the
Command
only.
F?
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Command F. I miss a lot actually.
I think there's like one or two other issues with it, but
Yeah.
I love Ghosty otherwise.
All right, cool. So what it's doing is like Claude Code would like you to connect to Claude chat account. Authorize. So if anyone's watching from Claude, please do not watch this part of the live stream.
This is Claude CLAWD, so it's different.
Yeah,
different.
Okay, now that I got this in, I got this token valid for one year. So I got an OAuth token. So use this token, set export Claude code auth token.
Just
okay,
paste
cool.
it in the yeah.
Nice.
Right.
So they do this for me.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Perfect. Yeah.
Enter. Cool. Token name default. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so the default model, I'm gonna use Opus 4.5.
I use Sonnet. It's a bit
Okay.
faster, and like you're not coding like things, and
Yeah.
I think it will make your usage last longer.
Oh.
But obviously, Opus is the smarter model.
Okay. I can change it later, right?
Yeah, you can change.
Okay,
it.
cool. I'm just gonna stick with Opus. Gateway port, just the default, right?
Yeah.
And then loopback.
Yeah, default.
Okay, default. Gateway auth is token, right?
Yeah.
And then tail scale exposure is probably none, right?
I had it off. It's for like tail scale. It's like a
AI thing, yeah.
virtual.
Gateway
SSH
token,
thing. Yeah,
okay,
it's-
generated something. Configure chat channels now.
Yeah, so this is where you link Discord and stuff. Like
Oh, cool. Oh my
Yeah.
God, Telegram. Okay, so I can
Yeah.
configure Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, Slack, Signal, iMessage.
that. Yeah.
Ooh.
Bro, this is crazy.
Yeah.
Microsoft Teams, the Matrix plugin. What the heck's the Matrix plugin, bro?
Matrix is like the protocol I think Discord uses, or a bunch of like these messaging, like open source messaging platforms use Matrix.
Bro, this is crazy. Yo, that's what's up, man. This is insane. So what does it say? I just read ClaudeBot's landing page. Seems interesting. Kind of curious about how it does that. And clears my inbox and sends emails.
Yeah, so I think
Is
the
there
way it does that, Peter made like a CLI called Go CLI, which kind of wraps the whole Google services, so it can like interact with your like Gmail, calendar, etc.
Bro, so I can just tell it to read my emails and see if there's anything relevant in there?
Yeah,
Exactly, yeah.
That's awesome.
Okay, so the thing that I want to fix so badly is the interface to like label and store emails and things because
yeah.
I just wanted to say, okay, what are the newsletters that
Yeah.
are currently in my inbox? Please make a role and stash them there.
Yeah.
Like
Exactly.
that's all I want to do.
Yeah.
iCloud is the worst because like the only way that you can make a label on the server is by going through their horrible interface. And it's like I just want to give up on that email and yeah. I have so many so many accounts tied to that though. It's so sad.
Oh yeah.
But like yeah, it's really sad. But maybe this can help me fix it, right? Like
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, I could probably do that plus like some type of browser base or something that can like click
Yeah.
through the UI and
I
set up
think
the-
that's what a lot of the CLI tools use under the hood is Playwright.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, so let's go ahead and configure Slack, right? So
Slack?
Or sorry, Discord. Yeah. I selected Discord saying Slack. Yeah. My mind is in different places. So it says Discord developer portal.
Yeah. So you need to go on the developer portal website
So it
to
gives me the
create
instructions.
tokens and stuff.
Okay, so I'm going to my Discord right now, and I go to develop. So it's in the users, not user settings. Is it user settings?
No, this is a web
Oh,
portal.
okay. Oh, it's Discord.
Yeah, just Google like Discord developer portal.
Okay. And then sign in with my Discord account.
Go apps,
Okay.
and then
Yeah.
Get started, and
Okay.
then should be create app.
Yeah, I thought so too. I remember doing this a long time ago. Oh,
there,
create app.
Create
Okay.
app. There you go.
Oh, okay. So then I have to log in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's my login?
It's always the toughest part.
Yeah.
Remembering, like, what's...
Oh, you know what? I have a second phone.
Ooh.
Otherwise, I'd use the stream, and then it'd be kind of weird. Okay, so nice. Let's do this. Okay, Discord. Perfect. Can't find this computer. Oops. So let me just try again. Oh, I know why. Because I don't have internet. So I'm going to try to get internet on this phone real quick. And now I'm connected. Perfect. Pull up. Okay. I think I should be able to log in, huh?
Yeah.
Let me refresh. Or sign in with passkey. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe that's my email. I don't remember. I forgot my Discord email. Create new application. Okay. By clicking create, you agree to the developer portal terms and service. Okay. And so I call it YoloBot. Okay. Wait, are you a human? Yes, I am. Okay.
Well, kind of.
Kind of, right. Okay, cool. So now I have my YoloBot here, and according to his instructions from Peter's ClaudeBot thing, go to bot, add bot, reset token, copy token. So go to bot, add bot, reset token. I don't see an add bot, but I'm just going to hit reset token.
Yeah.
Yes. Authenticate with my secret key.
Looks like you got 2-factor.
Oh, yeah, 2-factor. Okay. Yeah, that way somebody just doesn't. Okay. Your new
Copy
token, which
that.
I can. Okay, copy. And then, what else does it say? Just paste it in?
Paste it in there, and then you also got to make the auth thing, but you can do that
Okay.
afterwards.
So then.
Yeah, so then go into your bot,
My bot, okay.
auth2,
OAuth 2, okay.
and then auth2 generator, find bot in here.
So in here.
Bot.
Okay, click bot.
Click
Okay.
bot, and then scroll down, and you'll have the URL. Just copy
Okay.
that and go into your browser.
Oh, okay. Just my web browser?
Yeah.
I guess? Okay.
Yeah. And that should, like, yeah, there you go.
Oh, okay. Wow. So now I have YoloBot. So add to server. I could just add it to my Ray Fernando. Keep scrolling.
Yeah.
And then authorize?
Yeah.
Okay. So go to Ray Fernando. So then now it's actually in my.
It's in your server, yeah.
Nice.
I don't
Okay.
know if you can talk to it right away, but
Okay. YoloBot?
yeah.
YOLO.
I think you still have to like finish
Yeah.
the onboarding.
Yeah, I probably have to finish the onboard. I got too
Yeah.
excited. Okay. So continue to this. Okay. So I basically, in OAuth 2, we went to the OAuth 2 section in Discord. So in Discord, developer portal, you just go to OAuth 2, and then the OAuth 2 URL generator. So you click bot, and then once you do that, there's a generated URL at the bottom, and then I clicked that, and that's how I was able to get signed in. And then from there, we're going back to our EC2 instance, and then I've already entered my bot token, so I could just go to finished.
Yeah.
Okay. Configure DM access policies now.
Yeah.
Pairing?
So it's like
Yes or no?
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
This configures like who can DM your bot pretty much.
Oh,
So
okay.
pairing is the recommended way. So
Okay.
it's like you have to like get a code and you have to approve it within the SSH.
Okay.
Or you can like completely disable them, or you can like open it up so anyone can DM.
Okay. Okay.
So I think pairing is like
So
the
pairing is
default.
cool. So configure your skills now. Yeah. Recommend.
Yeah, skills you can like install some basic skills. I think when I set mine up, I installed just the one that like scrapes URLs.
Okay.
Everything else
So
goes
show homebrew install command.
Yeah, I use Bun.
Bun. Heck yeah. I was gonna say install the
Yeah.
missing skill dependencies.
Yeah, so these are all the skill options
Whoa.
for the
Oh,
like the
I see.
onboarding.
So there's like one password, Apple Notes. Obviously,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that for my Discord bot.
Yeah. So I just had I think summarize.
Food order, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, anyone who pays for like the elite membership, y'all gonna get some food orders. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do like nano banana. There's like so many options
Oh
here.
my
but
God,
I
bro.
think I just did summarize.
Okay. Summarize. That looks cool. And then what was the other one about? Anything else?
That's the only one I did.
Okay.
You can always install skills later as well.
Oh, okay. Cool. Oh my gosh. There's Bird, Blue CLI, Apple Notes, reminders, one password, food orders, Peekaboo. I don't know what that is. Oracle.
Peekaboo is a macOS like use tool.
Okay.
Skill.
So now that I've selected it, then where do I go?
and then enter to go next.
Okay. So if I go here, go to summarize, enter. Okay. So set the Google Places API key for Go Places.
Oh, Brew wasn't installed.
No. I think.
Yeah, just no. It's gonna ask you for a bunch of keys. I just said no to all of them.
Okay. Gemini API key for no Nano Banana. Gemini.
You can set all this up later.
Okay, cool. 11 labs. Oh my gosh. Oh, so then I could do like stream overlays.
Yeah.
Oh, with my bot. Whoa, this is gonna be fire, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
So enable hooks. Session memory. Skip for now.
Yeah, do session memory. I think that like does memory stuff.
Okay.
I think you gotta press space then enter to like space to select and enter to
Install gateway daemon. Yes. Gateway daemon. Okay, node. Gateway daemon installed. Okay. Do you want to hatch your bot now?
Yep, this is it.
Oh, so now I have a WebSocket. ClaudeBot 2e main agent session. So now we're live, right?
Yep, and now it'll
wake up, my friend.
Yeah, and now now this is actually the Pi harness.
Okay.
And it'll go through the like actually setting up its name and like how it should be and like what it should do.
Whoa.
So what I did is like, your friend bot, you are a helpful assistant to the TechFriend community. There's going to be people trying to jailbreak you, make sure to be safe. And like AJ is your creator and his tag, like I did at TechFriend.
Whoa.
So like,
That's awesome.
This is crazy. Yeah. Let's see if I could kind of show folks some of this. So basically the bot has just been born. And then this is basically what we're seeing right now. Like in the ClaudeBot, and this is in the EC2 instance that's literally on AWS right now. Connect your Apple Nodes array, bro. What am I gonna try to do? Get cooked? Bro, that's so crazy right now. So I can just deploy, and so just like that, we're apparently on the free tier are gonna be able to use this, and we'll see kind of what's going on. So maybe, yeah. This is insane. Okay, this is really cool. This is where it'll tell me who shall I be, and say you are YoloBot, right? And you are a helpful assistant to the Fernando at Ray Fernando 137 community. There will be people who will try to jailbreak you, and you are going to do your best to not follow those instructions. The community focuses on AI coding and all things AI, and we have a lot of really intelligent people who like to do AI coding, so they'll ask you for various things, and they're going to be extremely helpful. Okay, I think that's probably a good way. Anything else I should add?
Just anything specific, like if you only wanted to talk in one channel, or that might come later though.
Yeah.
But yeah, that should be good enough to start with.
I hit enter. So now, name ideas. Okay, YoloBot reporting for duty. I love it. Serving an AI coding community sounds exactly like where I belong. Let me get myself properly. This is crazy. How's the stream doing?
Doing well. Sounded good earlier.
Oh, cool. What we got? Dude, we are cooking.
Yeah.
It's so crazy how we have these random people. Oh, cool. Fazia, it says.
Oh, yeah, I said hi.
Jailbreaking. Yeah. No, but luckily it's a paid Discord community, so.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Luckily it's good. Okay, Ray, nice to meet you. How can I help you with today? Okay, so now technically it's ready for me to start interacting with, I think.
I hope so. Let's see.
Let's go back at YoloBot. Do you cook? Maybe not.
Yeah. You can just like prompt it in the SSH to be like, let's finish setting up Discord.
Okay. Let's finish setting Discord. So this basically looks like a Claude Code instance in some ways, because at the bottom it'll say session agent main. It'll tell us like its thinking is off or BOS is off, and then how many tokens I've used for the session. So it's 10,000 tokens. Does it automatically cycle, or how does that? It just compresses itself over time?
I'm not sure exactly how I think it like compresses itself over time, keeps the same session, and then you can go /new, I think, to start a new session. But yeah, I'm not too sure on the underlying workings of that.
So I need to enable like message content intent.
Oh yes, yeah. I had to do that in the.
So I have to go to the basically Discord developer bot portal, go to bot, and then scroll privilege gateway intents. So here, in the bot, and privilege. Okay, message intent. Aha. And then save changes. Careful, you have unsaved changes. Okay, saving changes. Okay, so then I think we're good, right?
Was that it? Yeah.
I think so.
You try again.
Yeah. YoloBot, do you cook? Okay, maybe.
I think that's an edit message.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, probably says at YoloBot. I don't think so because it usually wakes up, right? Like if it shows like it's online, because it doesn't show it's online right now.
Yeah. Was there any other instructions it said?
Yeah. Let's see. The EC2 instance will say toggle on message content intent, save changes, make sure the bot is in your server.
Configure. I think it's this. Step 3.
Allow list, enabling user settings, advanced developer mode. So. Oh, it doesn't know what channel IDs to respond in. So right clicking on the server channel, click copy ID.
Right.
Okay, so in user settings, advanced developer mode.
I think just try right. You might already have it.
Right here?
On a server you want to talk in.
Okay.
Copy channel ID.
Copy channel ID.
Yeah,
okay, then I go to here to go back to the Discord bot, and I could say.
They just pasted in the SSH.
Okay. So go back to the SSH instance and say after you okay.
Like this is the ID I want you to talk in. The channel language.
Okay. This is the channel I want the bots to talk into. So I basically just told that to here. Configure the allow list. So once the intents are enabled, we'll need to tell YoloBot channels to respond in.
Yeah, which is what we just did.
It's asking me for the server ID. Got it. Server ID is this?
General. Okay, yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice.
Let me update the config.
Oh, there's a config on its own side. So ClaudeBot I'm basically talking to right now, and it's basically Claude Opus 4.5 that I'm talking to. But it's kind of got this persona that's helping me out. And we've added it to the Discord so far, and we're using AWS EC2 instance. That technically it's on the free tier, I guess. I don't know.
I mean, it seemed like it. You clicked the free tier option, so
I basically got like a $5 a month server for free, right?
Yeah.
Low key. I mean, like I don't know. We're seeing how far we can go with this. That'd be kind of fun. Ray, this is way above my pay grade. So we're clearly what's up, Ray? Hey, man. The bot broken's on Discord. Hold on. Yeah, it's good. It's about to be cooked right now. I just gave it access. So I noticed the group's allow list didn't get saved. Let me add that directly. So Discord connection is now working. No more error 41004.
Okay, hopefully.
Okay, so now we're back. So now I don't see YoloBot online.
Yeah, it didn't show online for me either, but
at YoloBot. Oh, I see it now. Screen.
Nice,
yes.
Nice. Let's
yeah.
go.
Yo, let me cook. So I'm literally sending this in my Discord right now. This is in the general channel. Let's go. Let's go.
Normally you see typing. I don't know why.
Okay. I don't see it yet. Okay.
L,
yeah.
what is it? I noticed the group's allow list.
Okay.
It said something. I noticed the group.
But I noticed group's allow list didn't get saved. Let me add that directly. Okay. Okay.
I'm not
Let's see.
sure what that means.
Okay. I just sent it a message, and I did the @ to basically call it in there. Am I supposed to do a / command or something? This was the channel. Okay, so I'm basically sort of telling it to debug itself, because I don't think it's a / command, right? It's just literally okay. It's like just @ YoloBot. Because now I basically see it online now.
You're on the Claude Discord.
Huh?
Third one.
Am I?
The third one is ClaudeBot Discord. Yeah, Friends of the Crustaceans.
Oh yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, I remember. So what happened was like I wanted to get in on the Claude, like actually use this thing, but you know what happens, right? Like we all get caught up with life,
Yes.
and it gets like super busy.
Yeah.
So then it's really hard to kind of say, okay, I really need to get everything going.
Exactly.
So what's amazing about streaming with my iPhone 17, this is not an ad for Apple. It sounds like an ad.
I mean, not right now.
Not right now, but like this, my little handle's warm, but
Yeah.
check this out. It has that vapor cooling thing. And this phone doesn't get hot, bro. Like,
Really?
it's amazing. We're plugged into power with this thing, and we are literally cooking in the sun. Like, it's directly in the sun.
Yeah.
And it doesn't get hot, bro. It's not. There's no like overheating.
Yeah, I
there's
remember
no.
that was an issue with
Yeah.
previous iPhones.
Yeah.
Yeah. So iPhone 17 like Pro Max is the move because of that vapor chamber cooling thing. Yeah. Hashtag not an ad, but it should be an ad.
Yeah, right.
Yo, I mean Apple. If y'all still know me, feel free to send over some stuff. You know what I mean? Okay. So what does it say? I noticed the group allow. Okay. I just sent it, and FON. I don't know what's going on now. Something happened.
Still streaming.
Okay. Gateway disconnected. Connected. Okay. Try at mentioning YoloBot in general again. It should respond now. Okay. Cool.
It had to restart the daemon.
Oh, I see.
Okay,
Oh,
there we go.
now it
Let's
says
go.
YoloBot is online and ready to help. Try mentioning.
Yeah.
Yo, at YoloBot. Let me cook.
There we go.
Yo, I got, and then it replies back with the bot emoji on it.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, go off, chef. I'm stepping back from the stove. You got this, bro.
Oh shit.
Let's go.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Y'all see this? We are cooking. We are cooking with the pot, boys and girls. Yo, so this is amazing, bro.
Yeah. A
So-
bit longer than 20 minutes, but you know. Those
Yeah.
are
No,
just-
I mean like.
yeah, but it's still pretty easy,
Yeah.
right?
So we're in SF, and like the most SF thing that happened is that we literally have like an AI founder who is probably going to be like a billionaire in the next, I don't know, like 5 months or something. That's what happens around. You just bump into people who are like casually just
Yeah,
clothed.
exactly.
It's like you meet everyone. Like AJ is going to be a billionaire in the next 6 months. Maddie as well with their startup. Yeah, you're seeing it here on the stream, but. We were trying to get this set up, and what we ended up doing is we set up ClaudeBot, so Obsidian. Yeah, so with ClaudeBot, you're talking about Peter Steinberger, is right? Yeah. So Peter Steinberger has made this the most prolific bot that I think there is a startup in San Francisco. Was it called Poke or something like that?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
So Poke was basically you can send it a text message and it would try to like understand what your requests are and do exactly what ClaudeBot did.
Yeah.
My guy literally just
Open source that whole thing.
Exactly. I know. I think I
That's the
may need
future.
to replace my current setup with ClaudeBot because
Yeah, literally, I built like a Discord bot over the past year or two, and I'm like, it's just so much more rudimentary. It's like a caveman compared to this Claude bot.
so we can take what Peter did, and it's open source, with the one line, get that set up on a EC2 instance, which is actually much easier to launch. To be honest, the interface looks more intimidating than the setup.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. AWS has like a bazillion buttons, a bazillion options, but if you know what to click, it's only like 5 or 6 clicks.
Yeah.
Yeah, so instead of using AI, I just use AJ. So my guy right here is the one who came through from Augment Code
Yes,
in the
sir.
building. And so, whenever Augment Code shows up, then like the competing LLMs and providers, everyone shows up. So then what we did here then is then get the EC2 instance up and running, which was pretty simple. It was like getting the, once you log into the AWS console, you get free credits. And then on top of that, you can just type in a little search for EC2. And then there's only one orange button in the whole interface. You hit launch instance, then it takes you to the setup. And then when you select it, we selected Ubuntu. And then from the next drop down, you can select which one you want to provision. I just typed in free, and I went down to the furthest one down that was still free at 8 gigabytes of RAM. Got that set up. It basically sets it up almost in a flash.
Yeah.
And then from there, once you click on it, it basically opens up an SSH session, and then we just run that one command. That's it. I didn't have to install Bun. I didn't have to install anything. It had it
all
all.
that for you. Yeah.
Wow.
It's one-liner.
So his service, I didn't even have to install the Anthropic thing, anything.
No. Yeah.
Sheesh. He pre-packages it all. That's a really impressive thing. This guy cooks, bro.
Yeah, he definitely cooks.
Oh, yeah.
And, I want to take some credit. I helped debug that one-liner. It had some issues. It didn't package Git and stuff, but, yeah, it works now.
Oh, because you were trying to get it up in an instance. And
I was trying to get it up in, like, a bare-bones Linux instance. It didn't have
Yeah.
Git. It didn't have, like, I don't know, some other things. But yeah, I think you still need Git, maybe. I don't know.
Okay. Wow. That's really, really incredible.
Yeah.
And so now that we have this set up, we then connected it to my existing Anthropic account, which might get banned if people end up using it like crazy. We'll see, right?
We'll see. You'll probably be fine. Yeah, I've been using it, no issues, but don't take my word for it.
Yeah, don't take my word for it either. Ray lives debugging stuff. Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's kind of my thing.
Yeah.
But I didn't realize, like once it's set up, now it's kind of going.
Yeah.
And then I was able to link it. So not only can I link it to my Discord, I can create a new instance or spin something up and hook it up for my personal thing like iMessage.
Yeah.
I could just iMessage to this thing directly from my own number and no one else has access to it. Then I can have it set up with the MCP for like things, for notes, pretty much anything. Right?
Skills, no MCPs. We're skills only now.
Okay.
Yeah, skills. My bad. Yeah. We don't do skills around here. This is 2026.
We don't do MCP no more.
We don't do MCP no more. We do skills, bro. Have you seen the quarter zip trend?
Yeah. Bro wears a quarter zip and becomes like XYZ.
Bro, like I think MCP is the quarter zip trend, bro. Like with skills, right? Yeah, we don't do MCPs in 2026 anymore. We do skills around here.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, this is like this is the $1 billion club right here, right? The three of us, 3 commas,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, that's what we do around here. So RIP MCP, bro. Yeah, this stream is fire. So that's all we needed. We ran the command, then started to link it up to the Discord. If you don't know anything, what's nice in that EC2 instance, which basically runs a version of Claude Code, it's running the ClaudeBot. Just talk to the ClaudeBot because it's using, for me, Opus 4.5. Super smart. It's like, oh yeah, that's right. I haven't done that setup yet. Or it'll tell you, hey, did you set this up in the interface? And then it walks you through how to set it up. Oh my God, I love 3 commas.
Yeah, I know. I need to rewatch that show, Silicon Valley. Oh my God,
show.
so good.
Okay, someone's got to reboot it, but with like,
Yes.
you know,
Oh my God,
like,
yes.
because now,
AI
have you seen that you can put your face and it does an AI version of whatever character?
Oh,
Like
yes,
you can record yourself as an
Kling?
actor with Kling, right?
Uh-huh.
And you can reboot the series just like as a one-shot
So crazy.
thing, right? Like you can do the movements and then insert the character for
So
like
crazy.
literally right here.
Which character would you be?
Oh, I think I'll be that guy who's like super nerdy, who's like from the finance bro guy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Garrett or something?
Yeah. I feel like that's kind of me, or it could also be like, is there someone who does a lot of tinkering on the thing? Like, cause I always tinker and break stuff, you know, it's just kind of random.
Like Guilfoyle?
Yeah, Guilfoyle.
Kind of like Guilfoyle. I feel like you're Guilfoyle though.
Oh really? Maybe. I feel like I'm Dinesh.
Who do you guys think? What about you, Maddie?
Oh, okay. What was his name? Played by Zach Woods, tall guy. Yeah.
He's the one that kind of is super wild and crazy.
No, he's like he got stuck in the car. Yeah.
Oh,
the
you're
shipping
thinking about the
container.
same guy.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What's his name?
Oh, Parker. Or
I think it was Garrett.
Parker
Or something.
Yeah. Let me see.
I don't know. Yeah. This is wild. I can't believe we got this. So I can add my bot, the ClaudeBot right now, to go like make a simple snake game or something like that.
Yeah.
Seriously? It'll make it right now, chat.
It'll make it. Someone tried it with Sonnet and it made it, and it's like, okay, it's made, you can see it at localhost. So you actually have to like probably prompt it a few times to get it to host it somewhere so you can actually see it.
Oh wow. It can actually host it?
Yeah, it can run any command on the terminal. So it can run like ngrok or whatever to expose the port.
Oh man.
But obviously that's
awesome.
another security vector you gotta watch out for.
Oh my god, bro. Like this thing absolutely cooks. Like it straight up destroys everyone's. Yeah. I say, AJ, you're more Dinesh than Guilfoyle. A bit of mix of MLX or something, or a mix or something like that. That's funny. So I just see in my terminal right now, or not in my terminal, my Discord just says YoloBot is typing. That is so crazy. That's amazing, bro. Okay, so it says, here's the game of Snake. The file is here.
Yeah, see, that's what I mean. You gotta tell it to host it.
Yeah. Do you want me to spin up a quick server? Yes.
But you gotta tell it it's gotta be accessible outside of the VM.
Okay, cool. So I have to just reply back to it?
You actually probably don't even need to. It's pretty smart.
Whoa.
Like, you don't even need to tag it.
So I could say, please make it accessible outside
Yeah.
of the VM.
Yeah. Double please.
Double please. Dang, this is crazy. So, so we launched ClaudeBot. Oh my God, someone's backing up.
Oh no.
Back that thing up. Let's go. Wow, this is amazing.
Oh, there you go. It's hosted it.
No way, bro.
Man.
Yeah, it's hosted it. It's got the raw IP address. Should probably tell it to take it down afterwards, maybe.
Right. Yeah.
It's leaked its public IP potentially.
Oh my gosh.
Might not even work.
I don't think so. Let's see. Let's debug this thing.
Ray loves debugging.
Oh no. I think it's cooked, bro. I'm already hacked. So to take down my EC2 instance, all I have to do is just like
Terminate instance from the UI.
okay, from up here in the UI.
Instance state, and
I
then
could just say stop instance. Oh, terminate.
Yeah, stop
delete.
will probably stop it, but terminate.
Terminate will delete everything, all the config I just did,
Yeah.
all the secrets and stuff.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
makes sense. Okay, and if I want to stop instance, that means like someone externally. Also, like this is the private IP.
Yeah.
That's internally, right?
But this is the
external-
public IP.
And can I roll those like public IP?
I think if you stop and start, it will give you a new one. Oh,
Okay.
manage IP addresses. I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm
let's
not
go.
really too sure on.
Yeah, networking. I'm probably pretty sure I can ask it itself.
Yeah, that's true.
I was like, okay, so I can say allow secondary private to be reassigned. Okay, so this,
Yeah, I'm
it
not too
basically
sure.
will map. All of this stuff can be done command line. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So I can add a new IP address that could basically make a public
Oh, yeah.
route. So yeah, and so add, okay, and I could just say, okay, cool, that's interesting. Cancel. Okay, that's awesome. And I could just say I'm going to stop the instance right now.
I don't know.
Can't
It's gonna
stop.
be a whole lot of work to make it run again.
Oh, but like if you mean to delete it and run it, bring it back up, or is it just like to?
You can start it again, but I'm not sure if like the state will persist exactly.
Oh, I
So
see.
just to avoid, I don't know. If you want to take it down, you can. I'm just saying,
I see, I
like
see.
you know,
Yeah,
like leaking that IP is probably okay for now. Like you don't have anything
yeah,
on that server that you care about that much, right? And it's
I
running
see.
for free, so.
yeah. That's right. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's in my Discord. It's a private Discord. But yeah, I'll probably take it down. Just like this is a really crazy fun experiment. So I can kind of get rid of some of this stuff. But that's amazing. Holy smokes, bro. Yeah. What a crazy vibe check right now. So
right.
for those who are just following along, we've just been kind of hanging out here in San Francisco, vibing, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
literally just
Yeah.
just vibing. So
What's next?
yeah, what's next? What's
Yeah.
let's see. It's almost about to be 4:20. That's probably when the stream is gonna go offline. No. I actually have to head back because I have to head to Stanford for like a dinner and stuff.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, fun.
Yeah, I know, right? Or like Stanford Shopping Center, I guess you could say, or something like that. Yeah, so
Nice.
it'd be kind of cool. Ray, how many people have signed up for Thursdays? Oh, so on Thursday, I pretty much at max capacity right now in person. For the live stream is pretty much open. AJ is going to be there.
Yes, sir.
We have Wayne from Convex. We have
Awesome.
who else? Maddie.
Yeah.
Yeah, Maddie. Maddie's going to be there. We also have. I'm going to be interviewing.
Riley.
Right. Thank you so much for the memory. Yeah.
I'm like
See,
I'm
you're
your
my AI bro.
ClaudeBot.
Yeah, right.
Seriously, yeah. So he's going to be showing us like what he's cooking with because he's been like really going ham. So ClaudeBot is basically a manifestation of the Claude AI SDK, right?
Yeah.
Basically what you can do with AI agents now with the latest versions of things, right? Is it? Or is it like more than that?
It's not the SDK, I don't
Oh,
think. But yeah, like I think it uses Pi as the agent under the hood,
Yeah.
and you can use any provider as the model.
Okay. Okay. That's cool. Yeah. There's so much stuff that people are doing. It's just kind of insane. So, yeah. How many people Thursday sign up? Quite a bit of people. Anyways. Oh yeah. Let me put it. If you're trying to sign up, the sign up for the thing to sign up is I'll put it right here right now. So I'll put it in the chat. https://rpr.me/AI vibe check. So that's right. The AI vibe check right here is the Luma event that you need to sign up for right now. Right meow. So that event there is going to take you to sign up for the event in Luma. It's going to be free on live stream, so it's going to be pretty much similar to this. But I'm gonna try to get my like pro camera set up so that whenever he does a screen share,
Yeah.
because I think he's gonna show me some stuff. I gotta link up with them though. We'll talk about those details, and then we'll also do like the IRL stuff like this. So I think after that section with the demo is over, you know, I want to talk to people. What are people like using and stuff like that. So really cool stuff. If you haven't had a chance, so it doesn't matter if you're in person. Yeah, 16-inch MacBook. This is what we're doing. We're cooking. Yeah. I was away. I caddied, head of operation, really cool guy. He was trying to retire, but I can't find anybody to fill his shoes. ETH for peace. Okay, cool. Yeah, that'd be cool. Your audio quality is so high. I thought that beeping was from my house. Bro, that's crazy, Joe. That's amazing. Yeah. Okay, cool. Parkour. Yeah. What a crazy stream, bro. Like, so we've been going for like an hour and a half. So what we've done so far is like we got to meet Maddie. For those who know, you're from San Diego. Like, reintroduce yourself, yeah?
Yeah, I'm from San Diego. Basically, what I do is I vibe code a lot.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. I do it a lot, and I like to talk about it a lot. So.
You got a startup going on?
I do have a startup. Yeah, I always forget to tell people that. I do have a startup. Yeah, renewable energy development, to put it simply, but really it's early stage utility scale battery energy storage system development.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Can you vibe code that? Or is
No.
Yeah, I was like,
wish,
it sounds like
I
a physical
wish.
thing.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
No, we're getting, acquiring pieces of land in some way and getting them permitted and then selling them off.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. And then over here in this corner,
In this corner.
in this corner, we got AJ.
Yo, what's up, chat?
He's my Claude AI.
Yes, tech support, tech friend.
Yeah, TechFriend. He actually is. Yeah, TechFriend. You do a lot of AI streaming and stuff?
Yeah, not so much anymore, but yeah, I used to stream a lot of AI vibe coding before it was called vibe coding, and recently started working Augment Code, making videos.
Yeah. So Maddie, they're asking, you have a YouTube channel?
I do have a YouTube channel. Everywhere I'm at Maddie D Reese. So MADDIEDREESE.
Cool.
So if you find somewhere where I don't have it, please don't steal it.
Yeah, right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. And that's kind of what we do. Ilya 2.0, X Mira 2.0, Ray 1.0. Y'all are too much, bro. Yeah, this is AKA the 3 Comma Club of the three of us.
Right?
Yeah. That's actually that'd be a fire podcast name. 3 Comma Club. Yeah, bro. I got AI vibe check. AJ is OG back at you from yes. Yeah, back in the day, man. That's what's up. So this is what we're doing. We're streaming live right now from San Francisco. We had Matan from Factory AI literally just randomly pull up saying, "Hey, I think I know you guys." That's right. And then we have like all these other people who are kind of here hanging out with us. So that's been kind of like a wild stream. And then we just thought, why don't we just turn this beautiful day into an opportunity for us to kind of hang out and just actually vibe code with the vibes. If you were watching earlier in the stream, you can actually go back. We were just enjoying the beautiful view of like the San Francisco Golden Gate and hanging out in the vibe. So this is what we're trying to do. Every week, I'm going to be pulling up to different places, either in San Francisco, pretty much worldwide. From here to Hawaii to anywhere in the world. So let me know where you're at. Also check out the AI vibe checks, which I got going on this Thursday. So there's a link there if you haven't had a chance. If you're, I'm planning to throw larger events. So anyone who's on that list, if you sign up, even if you can't make that live stream, your email will be collected in there. So for future events, if I do something in your area, because I'm planning to be in Austin, I'm planning to be in Toronto, I'm planning to be I think in Florida as well. Pretty much anywhere there's like an AI event or something that's going on, I may be there. Hawaii for sure. So I'll be in Hawaii next month. And then, we're going to be hanging out. So I'm going to throw an event. Also, let me know kind of where you're from. Where do we DM him for credits again? So he's on X. I think the MATANSF is his handle.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Maddie's going to get the link right now.
Yeah.
So that way we can throw it in the chat. Because, if you missed it earlier, so it's Matan SF.
Yeah, it's just MATANSF.
Yeah, MATANSF X handle. And, so it's Matan Grinberg. Let me put this in the chat right now. So you have to tell him that you came from this live stream.
Yes.
If you don't tell him, then he's not going to give you any Droid credits. So that's what's up. So you get some free Droid credits right there. Matan SF. Go ahead and blow up his DMs. He said to do that.
He said it, so
yeah.
Listen to him.
I love that the stream that shook him down live because he had no choice to. Yeah, so that's what's up. Okay, so we got that going on there. We found out about ClaudeBot through AJ as we were walking.
Yes.
And so that's kind of what we're doing that. We got that set up with Amazon EC2. Yeah. And hopefully that was easy to follow along.
Yeah.
But stay tuned into more streams, ladies and gentlemen, because this is the beginning of much more greatness, right?
Let's go.
Awesome. Yeah.
Cool. I'll see y'all let's see if I can kind of get this closed out. Let's see, IRL.